come on. I wake up, I come on. I wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. No one ever saw the vision. Told me I was too young, too calm in this game, but I ain't vision. Something different, yeah, they turned me down. Told me I was tripped. Now we're planning trips and plotting on the mission. And because my age, man, it's been division. But to pay the way, man, it's my decision. Never been forced. Honestly, it's sick, and now they making claims. That is so insane. Talking about our change, but I've been this way. They said your dream's too big. Now take a look at what I did. I'm about to take over the game. No questions, boy. I wake up and swear to God. Blessings, never stressing. Every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I know they hate. I pay them no attention.
All right.
Trying to imitate me, but I
What
should
up?
probably mention there's only one other kid could care less about what you did or what you doing. Honestly, it's too concentrated on my business. I don't got time for the games. Don't pay no mind to these
What's good,
lanes.
chat?
I'm
What's good?
in
What's good?
my own separate lane. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm gonna put in all this work. I seen how far I can get. See all the hate, it don't work. We got the platinum. I wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing. Every night I pray to God,
All
lead
right.
me in the right direction.
Welcome
Yeah,
in.
wake up
Welcome
and
in,
count my
everybody.
blessings.
Happy
Never
Tuesday.
stressing. I wake up, I pray to God,
Oh.
hoping that He get
Yeah.
my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want.
How y'all feeling?
Got me
Good?
low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low.
How y'all doing? Happy Tuesday, everybody. Welcome in. Welcome in. W's in the chat. Let's go. It's gonna be a good day. Gonna be a good day. Good day. Wake up. Count your blessings. Let's get it. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Let me open up Zoom here real quick. Recording in process.
Recording in progress.
Progress. All right, we're gonna stop the recording there because we're on OBS.
Recording stopped.
And yeah, let's get the day started. Who we got here today? George VDM is back in the house. What up, George? Bringing the energy. George got motion after that vacay. I'm sure he's very motivated to go out and make his life a vacay. And that's what we're all going to do here, right? So what up, George? Z Gamer is in the house. What up, PM Magnifico? Ryan Tucker in the building. What up, Ryan Tucker? What up, Louis G? Yes, sir. J4 Trades. Big Legrand in the building. What up, Legrand? How you feeling today, man? How you doing? How you doing? What's good? The Don. Dominic's in the house. Gregski's in the house. Zeb's in the house. Magnus in the building. Shout out to Magnus, man. Proud of you, bro. Way to change your life, man. Jamil's in the building. 3 Ants in the house. What up? Hey, Buzzblab. Shout out to Buzzblab. Shout out to all you guys who made it onto the top 32. A lot of elite members in there. Very interesting how that plays out. Very interesting how that plays out. What up, Richard Lewis? Davey P in the building. Yep. What up, Energy? Good morning. Or good evening, right? For Energy. On the other side of the planet now. AOGH is in the building. What up, Yanosh? Got a trade. What up, got a trade? Congrats, got a trade on passing your funded account. W. What up, Cannon? Traders X in the building. What's good? What's good? Mr. A Figs. Good morning, Nathan. Yo. All right, let's get started here. Good morning, Jason C. Let me send the Zoom link out, and then we're gonna rock and roll. Okay, cool. Hey, if you guys are not in our free Discord, join the free Discord. You will not regret it. Right? A lot of really good things happen in that Discord. Over 8,000 people in the Discord now. Holy! Damn. W, man. I remember I started this Discord last year. 8,000 plus in the Discord, man. Shout out to all you entrepreneur, future 8-figure traders. Yeah, what up, AJ? Good morning, Shelly. What's good? What's good? Andrew, I see you, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Chala. All right, let me share my screen. All right, cool. All right, I think we're good to go. You guys ready to rock and roll? You guys ready to start the day here? Yeah. All right, good. B21. What's good? What's good? Yeah, first and foremost, shout out to everyone who passed the through the competition. Congratulations to everyone that ran through the open tryouts. You know, it was very tough. You know, there was over 800 people to battle, basically battle against, right? I think the top dog ended up with like 35%, something like that. And, you know, one of the things I said early on was I really wanted to use this as an opportunity for you guys to see your potential, for you guys to see what you can actually do in a short period of time. And sometimes it takes a stupid competition to show you how awesome you really are, you know, and show you that you're really playing it safe on a day-to-day and that you can do more, right? You can be more. And that was that opportunity. So I hope you guys had fun doing that. We're down to 32 now, so the competition will begin today. You guys are all assigned partners, and yeah, you won't know who your partner is. You won't know what they have, but week by week, we will make eliminations, and we will put people further in the process. So, yeah, man. Yeah, we're officially starting now. Yep, today. Yep. So let's officially start this live stream with a prayer. Let's gather together and give thanks for the opportunity to be here today. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus. Lord, we thank you that we can be here, that we can gather together, that we can rub off of one another just as iron sharpens one another. We can do that here together, Lord. We thank you for it. We thank you for the vision. We thank you for the spirit that dwells amongst this crew and this family here, Lord. We thank you for placing that vision in our hearts and helping us go after it, Lord. We know that the plan is set in motion, and all we have to do is follow it, Lord. I pray that the Holy Spirit would take over, that we would just get out of the way. And let you do the work, Lord. We thank you. We know that our lives are blessed because of you. We thank you for it, Lord. We ask you go before us here today. Bless this live stream. I pray and that you would pour hope, Lord, into your people here today. Give them a vision so clear that they know it's from you, Father. We thank you for it, and we give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 W. So let's start our day here. All right. Yup. Yesterday you had 19 monthly wins, and today we got 20, baby. Today we got 20. We just out here trying to win. Just win. Just win. Yeah, I took a trade last night in Asian session. My trade, let me show you guys real quick before we start. Asian session. Where is it? Oh yeah, let me pull up the chart here. Well, I'll show you guys in a second. Let's start the day here, right? So first and foremost, we are going to take a look at what's going on in the news. Looks like today is Tuesday, the 16th of July, and we have some CAD CPI ahead of us here today. So that's pretty much it. We got core retail sales when it comes to the US dollar, and that's what's going to be our big move here today. And then everything else is just kind of yellow folders, but we do have core retail sales coming in today, and that should really bring some volume into the markets. And that's it. That's all we have ahead of us. It's going to be some 8:30 stuff, nothing too crazy, and that'll be basically what we're looking at for today. Yeah, you got CPI for the CAD, so that should be pretty interesting. We'll see how all that plays out, but all in all, it should be a pretty smooth day. Regular red folder news here at 8:30, and really nothing else to worry about that, or nothing else to worry outside of that. So that's about it. Other than that, it's a really good day. It's an opportunity for us to be patient and disciplined and professional here in the charts, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's go ahead and open up the charts, and let's see what we have going on here. Let's go to the daily, And let's start a top-down analysis. You guys have liked the stream or what? Can you guys give the stream a like? You keep leaving me hanging, man. Y'all keep leaving me hanging around like 450, 480 likes, man. I don't, what's up with that, bro? You guys know I like 500. Hit me with the 500. Pay the fee. Pay the fee, man. All right, let's rock and roll here. So let's go ahead and get started. Today, we're looking at the daily time frame. We are moving up, right? So we're beginning to move up. Let's talk about this daily real quick. We had price create support here, right? We created a really nice support. From that support, we started pushing up. We know that we had this range to fill. We ended up filling that range. Price went crazy on what was that, Friday or Thursday last week? Thursday. We pushed up with all that news coming in, and then we closed like weak doji. But notice how we closed celery play, right? We closed, let me get this, celery play right here. This candle yesterday broke the highs, and then we went for a ride, right? So we're trying to see if we can break all-time highs here, which we are coming pretty close. So let's see what's going on the 4-hour time frame and take a look at that. So I am pretty bullish based off the daily. I do understand we're in these all-time highs here, so it can get a little tough, right, trading up there. But all in all, I am pretty bullish here. Let's go ahead and see what the 4-hour looks like. By the way, the daily candle has very little to no bottom wick. So if we're looking, so normally we would ask the question about the 4-hour here, right? But if we're looking at this daily candle, can we say, hey, this has potentially done the job? It's potentially filled the wick at this point, right? This candle is designed to fill that wick. We don't have to break that high today, right? But this current candle, its job was simply to move up, fill the wick to the left-hand side, and that job is done, right? So now that we have the all-time high here in sight, can we begin to reject this area up here, right? After filling that wick, we have very little bottom wick on the candle currently. This is where we could potentially start to push back, very similar to what we did here, and came on back down. So we'll see if we want to break that high today, this high over here today, but we still got some room and distance to go for that. So let's go ahead back down to the 4-hour, and let's see what the 4-hour is doing here. So looking left, we have a resistance, right? So we have a pretty strong resistance here at 2440 on the 4-hour chart. It looks like we came up at one point, we rejected that area, we came back down, we created support, and now we're back up there. So I am very, and I mean very, curious to see how we do react to this 4-hour resistance level, because if we begin to reject, that's where we could potentially look for fade opportunities on the lower time frame to kind of pull price back a little bit and maybe lead to that daily rejection, right? If that daily candle really wants to reject here off of that 2440 4-hour heavy zone, then we should be able to catch a good price on shorts here for gold. So let's keep in mind what's happening, right? We're still very bullish, but we are coming into the zone. Let's go ahead and see what that zone looks like on the 1-hour chart. Okay, perfect. So we made resistance, right? So we've got a resistance formed here. Let's look left a little bit and see if we can get some more information. You got to look left when you're in these all-time high areas. Let's just mark off that resistance right there. And let's see. Okay, perfect. So we did close above. Now we did close back below. So here we can say that this right here is a fake out. So you had a fake out happen here where price closed above. Buyers most likely got in, and now they're hanging out in drawdown, and price doesn't know which way. It may go one way or the other, right? So we're looking at this 1-hour candle, 1-hour onion play, potentially about to play out here. 30-minute time frame has a pretty decent celery play too here as well. So you've got support coming down towards 36, and this is basically your range, right? Let's take a look at the 15 closed with no bottom wick there. It's a little choppy here. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is look for potential sells below this level here today. So 24.35. Yeah, unless we come back up and we make a second attempt up here, I may look to go short and fade something off. But as of right now, that's probably, especially with this candle closing with no bottom wick, most likely going to leave my sells below 35 there today. Let's measure that range real quick. Yeah, it's about a 36 pip range. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I would be open to taking a sell here, but this 15 closing no bottom wick, so not going to do that. Just going to wait. I'm going to hang tight. The 15 closure is in 11 minutes here, so we'll see how the 15 closes, and then you may have a new support, right? So if this candle closes bullish, we can adjust that support and hang out in this range here. But for now, gonna leave it down here at 35, and then same thing, you know, buys above 42 here, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, you got clean range coming down for sells. You got about I would say about a 73 to 100 pip move right here. You got about like a 40-45 pip advantage point on the way down, and then on the way up, let's go ahead and look at this. On the way up, we've got, let's check the 15. Yeah, pretty clean till about 46 there. So and that's about a 40 pip range. So looks good. Everything looks good. Price in a little weird spot right now. If I had sells a little earlier, that would have been better, but no new positions just yet. And that's it, man. That's the day. What time did all this go down? 5? Yeah, I wasn't here for that. So that's it. That's the day. We'll see what happens here with this no bottom wick stuff, and then we'll go from there. What's this? Yeah, we may be good to run down towards 37 right now, which is also going to be that like 30-minute support zone. So we'll see how we do at that point. But yeah, that's what I'm going to look at for now. These will probably change throughout the session a little bit today, just because this is a pretty big range. Yeah, 80 pip range. So we'll be switching this up. Let's just see how this candle closes, and then maybe we can get a support there. But for now, I'm just going to keep it like this. Yeah, if anything, we'll keep it on the 30, and then we'll adjust as we need to. Cool. That is it, my friends. That's the day. So we can say that we do have a fake out here. Let's mark that fake out back up. It was on the 1 hour, right? I think it was right here. And let's keep an eye on that. If you end up closing back above 42 now, it's on. We'll probably continue to rally, right? But if we start moving below, then that means we can start to get some pullbacks on the daily here. That's it. That is it. So 4 hour, by the way, is the break of the lows right here. So I like that we break those lows, and then you also have the 4 hour break of the high. So we got price exactly where we want it. Right now we're just fluctuating on this 4 hour candle between 46 and 42, and once it does either break a high, right, or break a low, we'll be there to catch it. So those are going to be my ranges here today, and that's the work. Work is done. Now we wait. Boom, let's make it purple. Let's clone it. And that's it. There we go. Cool. Let's let me go back. I want to see this range again real quick. Yeah, I mean this could be our advantage point, because we were very clean right up until there, and then targets will be up here at like 50, 24.50. And that's what we got for now. That's it. See this? See this? Right back up. Right back up with no bottom wick there. Ain't down. Don't play yourself. What up, AB Mike? Let's get Ecom Dre. Why purple though? Shh. DM me, DM me. Woo! Good morning, TK. Top of the morning to TK, man. Damn, still dark out. All right, that's the analysis. Any questions, comments, concerns? We're going to keep an eye on that 15-minute range here as well. I do see that. I'm just going to leave it on 30 for right now, just because it looks a little better, and We'll keep it just like that. As we move through the session, I already know we're gonna make adjustments here today. So, AB Mike, how are you doing, sir? It's a pleasure to have you here today. What up, Felix? It's a pleasure to have you. Lee, it's a pleasure to have you. Purpose, how you doing? It's a pleasure to have you. Tamra, it's definitely a pleasure to have you here today. Wags, oh my gosh, what a pleasure. Fax Hook, it's a pleasure to have you. And no, brother, I did not hit you up talking about let's invest in Bitcoin together. Nope. George Poe, what a pleasure. Neo, how you doing? Caught some London, 15 pips. Nice. Yeah, you guys trade London. We'll take a look at charts for stream here in a moment. What's good, Earl? How you doing? Charts for stream. Let's take a look. If you guys got charts, you can send them into our Discord channel. Just throw them in the charts for stream section, and we'll give them a review. Let's see what we got here today. We got the fading for 26 pips. All right. Nice job. Yep, perfect. Good trade. Hey, if you guys can like the stream, I mean, that would be that'd be nice. If you guys give the stream a like here. Come on, man. Give the stream a like. Let's take a look at this one. Overall bullish day plus 4 hour. Okay. I wanted to wait for a new support to form. 2 candles, 30-minute above the level on the left. Okay. Plus the current 30-minute candle respect the previous 30 lows. All right. That's why I entered on the continued trend, all-time highs. I took partials. Okay. Yes. Very good, bro. This was what time was this? I'm not sure. PM Magnifico. When was this? This was, it doesn't say here, right? No. Good trade though. Gold buy is looking really good here today. Really good. Still in these buys. Okay. Very good. This was 15-minute time frame. Celery play. I believe that was right here. Yeah. Or right here. Either way, nice job. Either way, you had, so regardless, I'm not sure which one it was, but if it was this one, you had a closure above with clean traffic and a wick to fill to the left. So good job there. And then if it was this one, you had another closure above, right? And there's a range coming up towards here. So yeah, great job. Nice celery play. Good old celery play. Ain't it great? The blessed trader here. Let's see. Take a look. Took sells this morning. Okay, good job. AJ, let's see what AJ. See how AJ marks them all up? If you guys can mark them up like this, it would allow us to learn a little bit more, right? So I could explain a little bit more to the to everybody watching, so that way we can break it down. Let's take a look at AJ's trade here, see if we can learn anything. So previous daily closed bullish, okay. 4 hour closed bullish, okay. So overall bullish bias. 3 is at the 30-minute celery play, 15-minute onion. Lovely. By the way, when you guys take a 30-minute celery play, if you look, the 15 should be giving you an onion. That's the best celery play to take. And the 1 hour should be giving you a breakout along with the 4 hour, right? So 30-minute celeries, look and see if the 15 is giving you an onion. It doesn't have to, but this is how you know you're lining up an A++ one, right? 30-minute celery, 15 onion, and then that 1 hour and 4 hour will be a breakout. Okay, so perfect. So 15 onion, took buys at 2:30 a.m. pre-London. Very good. 15 pips, closed 80%. Lovely, bro. Great trade, AJ. Great trade. Really, really good job, bro. So we got, looks like same trade. So same trade here. Gold buys off the celery play. Good job. Good job. Was that a 30-minute time frame? Yep. So same position there. Let's take a look at this one. This one is, looks like the same exact type of entry. Let's see what this one is. Oh, finally a losing trade. Awesome. I can't even read that, man. Yeah, why can't I zoom in on this one? Damn. Hey, type this in the Discord for me. Again, just go and edit your message, because this one we could probably learn something from. So I would really like to go over this one. Let's see. Chala also took the 30-minute celery play. Good job, Chala. So 30-minute celery. Okay, BE closed 90%. Nice job, bro. And let's take a look at this one. This is all right. So yeah, and also if you guys can number them, right? Just label them so we know which one to read first. This is good. I like this, but if we can label 1, 2, and 3, that would be best. So all right, in 15 pips, shifted to stop loss. Yeah, I don't know which one's first. Candle respected previous low, but I entered. Silly mistake. Okay, managed to stop on the 15-minute, 30 pips. I added more when the next candle of the 15 broke its own high. Okay, right here. Yeah, so all you guys took this celery play. Yeah, great job. W. Yeah, I think that was the trade of the pre-London session here today. Now, let me see if the likes are at 500. Yeah, curious. I'm very curious. Oof. That's rough. That's rough. Oh, no job today, working on the markets? W. Let's go, Josh. Let's go. What happened? Oh, candles came all the way down. I mean, candles. I'll start to do my charts for stream like Scotty. Hey. Scotty. Yeah, my buy last night was right here. So took a buy right off this support, understanding that we've been consolidating there for a while. We're extremely bullish on gold. This was Asian session. I don't know why TradingView's not showing a bottom wick, but I did have a bottom wick. Price broke the high. I closed 80% at that wick fill, and then target was where was it? Right here. No, not this wick. This wick. Yeah, right here. So look to take profits right there, and price hit my TP. I wasn't even watching, so I waited for it to fill the wick. Wait, that wasn't it. Where's that other wick? I think it was this one then. Yeah, this one. Yeah, so I waited for it to fill that full wick there, and then I was on a Zoom call with Green hanging out, and I was like, oh, TP got tapped. Yeah, that was it. Just one trade for me. All right, we closed bullish in the range here, so nothing to do just yet. Nothing to do yet. But I guess we can say we have a new support now, right, chat? So we do have a new support right here. Come NY open, I may use this, I may not. We'll see. It looks pretty clean on the 30, but we'll see. 15, it's a little lower, so. Asian session. Yeah, Asian's been pretty good. I'll show you guys what the trade looked like. I think I have did I send a screenshot yesterday? I think I did. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, so entry was on the break of those highs. It was a little late on the entry, but yeah. See how I had a bottom wick here? Bottom wick, so that was it. Closed partials at that point at that wick fill, and then let the rest run. Yeah, this is it right here. This one I closed partials, so I had I think 15 contracts, 20 contracts. Yeah, so once we got to that wick, closed partials right there, let 5 contracts run, and the rest got hit TP. Yeah, it's a good trade. It was aggressive. A lot of times I would wait for that closure above, but I just had a good read. I knew price was going to pop there early. We're so bullish right now. Hey, what up, Sunboy Comedy? What's good? TK, What are they doing with these likes, man? Dang. Holy. All right, cool. Got my watch on, so now I know it's time to eat. LeGrand, what's up with the likes, bro? Yo, good morning, Pablo. Who else? Anybody else crush it in London or take any losses that you guys want to share? If you guys would like to do that, you guys can do it in the Charts for Stream channel. You guys are more than welcome to join our free Discord, by the way. Come in, come have some fun. We have a bunch of channels here. We've got, you know, all this up here, the Jesus Mission, which I am feeling a calling to begin to start preaching again, at least once or twice a week. So we may rally that up again. I don't want to get you guys too fired up, but I think it's coming here soon. So we got announcement section. So if there's anything big going on, like the big competition, all you guys should have your emails, by the way, now. If you passed and if you're in the top 32, you'll have your email, and today is the day. So today's the day we begin. Good luck to you all. There's a good amount on the line here. There is $400,000 in accounts on the line here. So congrats to all who made it, and good luck through the next couple phases. Yeah, good luck. Best of luck to you. Yeah, come into the Discord. We've got the traders chat room. We've got the words of wisdom. We got the transformation channel, man. Yeah, this stuff honestly really rocks me. You know, this is why we show up and do what we do, right? Like trading, okay, we're good traders. All right, whatever. But the impact, right? The impact and the difference that we're making across the world, right? Not only me, you guys too, right? And that's how leadership goes, right? Like, you guys will have impact. Like, Magnus almost brings me to tears here. You know what I mean? And like, you know what's so cool about impact is that they're at a point, if you don't quit, if you don't grow weary, if you don't get tired of doing what's right, eventually everything will build up to the point where you will be an impact to people, right? And now Magnus from Denmark, right, has been inspired to go out and change his life. And guess what that's going to do? That's going to inspire his circle of people. That's going to inspire people that know him and that are going to see a difference in his life. And I'm using him as an example, but I can put all your names in there, right? And all of a sudden, the ripple effect begins to happen. So there's people in the world that I can't get to, right? That I can't impact, that you can. And that's where this thing takes on a life of its own. Like, whether you understand this or not, Magnus, my mentor, right, has my mentor's leadership and mentorship has rippled to you. So he doesn't even know Magnus. He never even met Magnus. He's never even said anything to Magnus. But because he's done all that to me and poured it into me, and now I can pour it into you guys, that's where that ripple effect happens. So this is why we do what we do. This is why we show up to the live streams every day, is not only to trade, which we love to do, but to really leave that impact all around the world, and just see you guys continue to level up in life. And that level up is going to be an example for so many of your own people and your own friends, and then they're going to change, and then their circle is going to see it, and it just never stops going. So let's continue to do good in the world, gang, because it really does make a difference. Really does make a difference. Crypto talk, if y'all want to chat about cryptos here, desk setup. So we would love to see where you're trading from. I love this one right here, straight up. I can't wait to hear your freedom story, and how you get free from trading and dial in. And if you guys are succeeding with the prop firms, like Gotta Trade is, like all these guys are, you know, come on here, post your success. Any type of giveaways, we'll usually do them up in this section. If you guys are eating good, what in the world? If you guys are eating good, let's, yo, nah, that's crazy. Who's that? Yo, my man got Captain Crunch. Holy. Yeah, let's see what you're grubbing on. If you guys are reading good books, which I always liked, you guys are more than welcome to come in here, share what books are reading, share what books are helping you, impacting you, and somebody else I'm sure can benefit from it. And all the trading channels here. So if you want to trade Asian, we got people in Asian session. You want to trade London, there's London traders. New York, there's New York traders. Whatever you need, it's here for you. So come on in, join the free Discord, and we want to hear about you, and we want to hear about your success story, because I don't care who you are. I know I don't know you, but I believe in you, man. If you're here for a reason, and I believe in you, and I believe you can get the job done. It just takes a little bit of time, Luckily, time is all we got. Top 32. Let's get it. What up, C Melly? What's good? Rafi. How you doing? Where's Buddha? Good morning, bud. Is that how you guys talk to each other? Morning, bud. Oh, yes. Words of affirmation. Yeah. No music in Zoom? Nah, I was just waiting for one of y'all to remind me. Thank you. Oh, I was just, yeah. What key topics in trading do you recommend mastering? Yourself. Trading is going to expose you at the deepest levels if you spend enough time in the game. A lot of people don't spend enough time in the game because the moment they get exposed, they're gone, right? They don't want to deal with that. That's too much for them. So it's going to, you're going to want to work on yourself. That's the biggest thing that I would recommend is, being a self-regulated, composed person, understand, how to recognize patterns when it comes to actually trading price action. But other than that, you really want to, master composure, discipline, and patience. Great question. I know you probably thought I was going to say, mark up, make sure you're looking at the higher time frame and make sure you're looking at but trust me. The more time I spend in the game, the more I understand that the charts do the same thing over and over again. We complicate it a lot of times when we really just need to work on ourselves, and that will get us to the promised land. How you doing? What up, Randall? Hi, Nick. Hey. Can you explain the levels of rejection, which best time frame to use to remark to him? I saw you using the 30-minute. Yeah. So it all depends, like, on the time and what's going on, right? Like, if we end up getting a closure, I would think below like 40 or even 36 come NY open, then I might disregard these wicks here, which is a little consolidation on the 15-minute. You see it here? This consolidation. So I may disregard that, right? Because I know that volume will tend to push right through this, and it, volume acts in a way as like dynamite. So I know when the volume comes in, that can get blasted through, and then we can probably make our way down towards 24.30 there. So it just all depends on what time it is, like if there's volume coming in, if there's a session open, and that's where you go about it. Yeah, just keep in mind though that the higher the time frame, the stronger the data. So 30-minute is going to be a little stronger than the 15, 1 hour is going to be a little stronger than the 30, 4 hours is going to be stronger than all of them. But I like our rejections here to 42, right? That's the zone we're keeping an eye out on. So we'll see how we do here. We got 16 minutes for NY Open. What's your real date of birth? Why? Like what? Like what? Like why? You got something for me? You got a gift for me? What you got? What you got, huh? You trying to send me something? Sorry, I need some motivation. Every time I take a trade on a demo, it always goes in well, but when I go on live, I have a hard time. I use the same strategy on demo. No, you don't. No, you don't. So technically you may use the same strategy, but you don't use the same mindset, right? Because you go on demo and you go, okay, I think gold should go up. Bye. See ya. And you don't give a rip. You don't care, right? You go back later, you go, ooh, cool, hit my TP. I'm amazing, right? But then you get in your live account and you're like, all right, gold buy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Couple pips of drawdown. Ooh, profit. Draw down, draw. Break even. Oh my God. That was intense, right? That's why you can't do it on a live account, because there's no emotion. There's no attachment, right? When you're on a demo, you don't care. You place it and you go, if it hits, it hits. If not, I'll pretend nobody knows nothing, right? Just, whatever, if it hits, it hits. And then it hits and you go, wow, I'm an amazing trader on demo. And then you start acting like that when you get to your live account, right? So that's the difference. It's not the strategy. It's not the system. It's just your perspective, right? Your emotion is getting in the way when you are beginning to trade on a live account. And what you want to do is you want to disassociate that emotion, treat it as if you are trading that demo account, because it probably is a demo anyway, right? If you're trading any sort of funded challenges or whatever it is. But once there's something at stake, you seem to basically, from what I understand, not be able to handle the situations properly, right? So here's how you fix it. You have the system, you have a trade plan, right? You get in your trade and you just wait, right? You do not get in the way at all. You enter your trade. If this is your trade, I'm gonna have a sell right here. My stops are gonna be right here, and my TP is gonna be here, and I'm gonna go partials at that purple line. Then that's it. Don't get out of the way at that point, right? What do you do when you take it on your demo account? You just get out the way, right? But what do you do when you take it on your live account? You're all up in the way, right? You're all in the way and trying to, hope and wish, and you're blowing on the candles, and you're getting nervous, and you're sweating, and you're just doing too much, right? Just let things play out. The worst thing that could happen is you get stopped. And guess what? It's really not that bad. Hey, yo, donations. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for the dono. Zebs, appreciate you, man. God bless you as well. All right, W. I'm going to celebrate 10 months of following you next week. Thank you guys for oh man, you're welcome, bro. You're welcome. It's been a pleasure to have you. It's really cool to see some of you guys, a lot of you guys really, who have been around the whole year, like over a year. I've gotten so many messages like, yo, I just hit a year watching you, bro. Hit a year. So it's been a pleasure to come up here and hang out with you guys, and to see your consistency honestly inspires me as well. Because I know some of you guys, I know you guys have been around showing up consistently day in and day out, and I freaking love it. Doing what winners do. Yeah, just breathe some air. When you get in a trade, deep breath in. Let Rafi guide. Rafi, can you guide us in the chat? Can you guide us in a chat meditation? let Rafi guide you, man. Focus on that triangle. Focus on that triangle right by your nostrils. What up, Sam, man? Shoot or shoot, man. Is it better to stick to one session? Yeah, I would say so. One session's cool. once you so I have two opinions on that, right? If you're a new trader, or if you're not a new trader, if you're just a struggling trader, like where you struggle with over trading, over risking, and you have like these bad decisions that tend to come up while you're at the desk, then I would just stick to a one session, 1 to 2 trades max, right? But if you're more of an experienced trader and you don't deal with some of those other things anymore, and you're like responsible in the markets at this point, then I would say whenever your setup shows up, go ahead and let it rip. Hey, amen. Chama Goldie. Thank you for your prayers. Let's go, Hypo. W, bro. Hey, Purpose, good luck, man. Best of luck to you, bro. Kill it, man. Hey, if you're gonna be talking to a high level individual, try and take the pressure, try and take the attention off of you, and ask that person, hey, you know, what you've got here has blown my mind. Tell me about how it came about, and let that guy sit there, tell you, and then guaranteed he'll offer you the job if you sit there and listen to him, and give you top pay. Thank me later, brother. Every successful person loves to share their story. And they like a good listener. God bless my wife. She's a great listener, man. She used to listen to me talking about the life that we live today. And I'm sure she was just like, yeah, when's he gonna get it? Nah, I don't think she thought of it like that. But man, she listened for a long time. AB Mike, I have a true love for people. The Bible says, you know, to whom much is given, much is required. And I just feel like I've been so blessed in life. You guys have no idea how blessed I am, you know, and I really do have a conscious thought of it and understand it. So I've been blessed not only by God, but he's used people to do that in my life, and it's only right that I go out and I do that for others, right? To whom much is given, much is required. And I just have a love for people, and I think that that's how the community just was able to grow so strong so quickly, is because I truly do care. You know, I really do want to see you guys succeed. I want to see you guys with us, man, on the lake trips and the beach trips and the ski and the snowboarding trips. And I want you guys to bring your family. I want you to bring your spouse and your kids, and I really do care about that, you know, that family victory. So that's kind of my big efforts here, and in hopes that, you know, the land in which God has given me to work would do exactly that, and bring families together, create family victories around the world, and allow more people to experience freedom the way me and my family get to experience freedom. So that's my main goal here, and we just happen to do a little trading too. Courtside seats at the Celtics game with Green, yeah, for game 7s. I'll be like, y'all don't call me unless it's a game 7. W, you know. By the way, shout out to all the mods and stuff, especially shout out to you guys that have been kind of like hit a little wall here in trading. That's perfect, because you basically made a higher low, and now it's time to fill the range and start breaking highs in your trading career. You guys are right on it. You have created support, and now the juicer's coming. So keep it in mind, work towards it, and just have fun with it, man. Do I think the earth is flat around? I don't know nothing. What's earth? I think it's flown. I think it's flown. It's not flat or round. It's flound. Trust me. I know everything. There's the mod god. Green comes out and we start talking about the Celtics. I spat my coffee out. Sorry, AB Mike. Yeah, top 32 emails have gone out. TK, can you forward that email over to me so I can open it up here? I don't know. I'm not sure why I didn't get that one. Thank you, bro. We're the ants in an ant farm. We're just ants in an ant farm. On average, how long does it take to get the top one after passing? Usually they'll send it to you that day. Yeah, depending on if it's earlier in the day or not. If it's early in the day, they'll send it over to you. You should have it by the end of the day. W, Josh. How many active TTE members are there on the 32? I think a good amount of them. I see about 3 or 4. I think I've seen 4 elite members in the top 32, man. So that is awesome. Honestly, round of applause for you guys, man, because I'm proud of that, man. Let's go, elite. I want to see an elite take it home. I want to see an elite take this whole joint home. Yeah, man. Wait, somebody asked. Oh yeah, TK. Yeah, let's take a look. Oh, did you send it on TTE or and Stu? Okay. Hey, can you send it to the other one? How many people were in the tournament? There was 850, I think, that entered into the challenge, into the open tryout. So I'll be honest, you have to be good. You know, if you're gonna make that, I mean, you got to beat out 850 other traders, which is insane. So we have the top 32 now, and now the games begin. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yo, the top 32, the spots continue to change, and it was pretty cool to see day by day. So you guys want to see who's in? All right, we got 3 minutes here. So this is it, man. So I hope you're crushing on the competition. Excited to bring you a quick update as the standings, the top 32. So shout out to Caleb. Caleb's been in first pretty much the whole time. Bro. So congratulations on that. But this is the 32. Yeah, here they are. You're looking at them. Top 32. And now we go head to head. Yep. So yeah, a little bit about this. So so basically open tryouts ended. Now we're starting this off. By the way, if you guys do want to get if you are a part of the 850 that signed up for the competition and you want to get 50% off, type this code in on your checkout and that'll get you the exclusive 50% off. Plus you'll also receive your 25% bonus capital. So yeah, check that out. This is going to be a one-time code, so don't give it to anyone, otherwise you're not going to get it. They will. Yeah. W. Oh, that's not the list? Oh, is that the wrong email? My bad. TK, you might have sent me the wrong email if that was the wrong one. Wrong list? All right, my bad. Sorry. Sorry, guys. What up, Perez? Is it worth joining the webinar even if I don't trade your strategy? It'll be worth it in terms of mindset, mentality, 100%. But you know, if you're not going to use the concept, it's probably no point. I mean, unless you're looking to enhance some mentality and mindset and psychology stuff, obviously. So anytime I teach, that's always like kind of just woven in there. You know what I mean? Like naturally, I'm gonna touch on that and talk about that and you know all that stuff. But mainly, I'm gearing this towards some technical stuff. How you doing, Perez? Do I trade EU? No, I only trade gold. Just gold. All right, so we got NY open here. So 30 closed bear. We did actually close below here. So we did close below on the 30. You created a brand new support here. The issue now becomes the 15-minute support here, right? And this bearish doji. So I think what I'm going to do here for NY open is move my support right here and sit tight on 815. Let me measure this range here. So yeah, it's about a 30 pip range. So I think I'm going to move my support there and then look to see what we can do if we close below there on the at 815. I wake up and count my blessings. What up, Zoomers? Zoom, zoom. Let me move my chat over here to Zoom. All right, yeah, so I'm going to wait on 815 here and then see how we do. We got a 30 pip range coming down. So we'll see if NY open. What is this? 12 pips. Oh, okay, email me the list of the winners. Oh, okay. Oh, that's right. This is the list. That's right. That's right. Oh, man. Yeah, okay. Here's the list. I'm sorry, gang. Yeah, Kate. I don't know if Caleb's on here, but man, you were in first the whole time. Pretty much the whole entire tryout. So here's the top 32. Okay, we're thrilled to announce. Okay, now we're looking at the right email. So drum roll, please. These are the, yeah, okay, now I see some more elite members. There we go. Yeah, W. So you see how, guys, you see how that list changed pretty drastically, right? Look at that. List changed pretty drastically in 1 or 2 days. Yeah. Yep. So this is the list right here. So shout out to all you guys on the list here. Wow. Yeah, Andy in the #1 spot, man. Good job. Top 4, Eddie Allen. Let's go, Eddie Allen. Aaron. All right, I see you, Aaron. I see you. Buzz Blab in the house. All right. Great job, guys. Great job. All right, so here is the standings, right? So Those that didn't make it, your account will be breached. Okay, so if you guys didn't make it, that account will be breached. This was last night, so starting tomorrow, each of you will go head to head against another trader. You won't know who they are, they won't know who you are. After the market closes on Monday, which is next week, the trader with the highest P&L will advance. Okay, that is the game here. So we're going to do Tuesday through Monday, right? 16th through 22nd. So we'll have eliminations on the 22nd, the 29th, the 5th, the 12th, and then by the 13th of August, or I'm sorry, the 19th, we will have our winners. And the winners, first place is taking home 200K, second place taking home 100K, third and four are taking home 50. So that's amazing, man. That's one, that's two, three, that's 400K in accounts here. So throughout the competition, you'll receive regular updates on your standings. So keep that in mind. Breaching your account means that you're out. So if you breach your account, the person who you're up against is going to get an email right away. You're going to get an email when your account's breached, and they're going to get an email when your account's breached, and that person will move on. So don't let them get an easy win, right? If you blow your account today, your opponent doesn't even have to trade this week, right? Make it interesting. Make it a game. You know, play well here. Play well. Play well. And then again, for the rest of you guys, there's the coupon code if you want the 50% off with that challenge. Keep in mind, it's a one-time code. Don't give it to anybody. Otherwise, you're going to lose that. Cool? Best of luck to y'all in round one. It's your moment to shine. Let's go. Bryson. Shout out to Bryson, man. Yeah, man. Stay sharp. Don't let your opponent just kind of walk through a round. Yeah, man. Great job to everyone. Everyone who participated. I mean, to come in the top 32 out of 800 plus is really good. Buzzblab, man. Let's go. How long is the coupon good for? I think it's good for a while. Like, just nobody knows nothing, Louis G. Just tell them you're with TT, man. They'll figure it out. I will, the next one we do, I'll dial things in a little bit better. This one was a little sloppy, you know, just like anything, man. Just like anything when you begin, right? Just like trading, just like learning an instrument, just like playing a sport, just like learning a new topic, a new subject, a new language, whatever you're doing. It's going to be a little sloppy in the beginning, and that's okay. That's okay, because in order to be great, you've got to start, right? So as long as you can get started, that's when things can get rolling. Raja, yeah, let's take a look. I wanted to open that up real quick. Hold on.
Hope setup works. Ah, wow. When hope is not a strategy.
Told you.
What I would say, maybe wait. Maybe wait. You know, it's fine taking losses in a row. Like, I've done that multiple times.
Listen to the GOAT. Look and look at the GOAT. You see how I like the stream? I didn't even think. About liking the stream, and I just liked ideas, but close partially. And you guys still can't figure
now we have to redeem ourselves
out how to like the stream.
We have
crazy
to redeem ourselves. That's
crazy,
what
crazy,
matters
crazy, man.
At the end. Well, I'm still up 5K, so I think I'll call it a day right over here.
Oh,
I'll
smart.
call it a day right over here.
That's a smart man.
Update your C trader. My C trader is updated. Oh, update available over here.
See you later, Raja. Smart guy. If I advance to round 2, I'll let y'all know. Let us know. Let us know. Auto like, yeah. I have an auto like on. Hey, YOLO Trader, what's up, bro? How you doing? How you feeling, YOLO trader? Hey, who else we missing, man? Who else hasn't been here in a little bit? Scott doesn't trade Mondays, and then yeah, today he's doing something today. Yeah, Scott don't trade Mondays. Scott has other obligations Monday mornings. Scott's trading business is closed on Mondays. Yo, my man Shad, bro. Damn. Eugene, hey, don't worry about me and Eugene don't worry about Eugene, man. Eugene's locked in, bro. I was on a call with Eugene yesterday. Eugene's in the elite program. Yeah, Chala. I'll tell him you said what up. Yeah, Eugene's a stud, man. Me and him did a simulation together yesterday. He's a good trader. He's coming on. He's doing well. He's young. He's sharp. He's you know, he's down to put in the work. I really like Eugene. Yeah, Shad, man. Shiro, yeah, Shiro. Shiro's in Wakanda. Shiro be popping in every now and then. What up, Dan Lows? What's good? What's good? Joey Stew's missing. Sugar Bear. Sugar Bear. Sergio. Yeah, what's good with Sergio? I hope he's doing well, man. Johnny Stew check. Oh, it's gotten to that point. Uh-oh. Johnny Stew. Don't let them get to the Johnny Stew check. Joey Cookie. Yo, what up, Ryan? How you doing, man? Yo, word. Alexandru and Alexandros, man. Those are my boys. They be here. I think they be here still. Shout out to those guys, man. Alexandru just waiting to clip. Blah, 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 blah. Green, where they at though? Gang, don't let me say that about you. Yeah, stick with this, man. A lot of y'all are too deep to quit now. You're in too deep, like me. There's no going back. Yo, what up, Lights Fire? How you doing? What about Mike? You guys remember Mike? Sheesh. In too deep, man. Dennis Hood. Yeah, my man, Dennis Hood. Bink, bink, bink. I always think of Bink when I think of Dennis. Yeah, Mike, man. We made him a legend. Yeah, so you see how that 15-minute support, they're holding things up, so not much going on just yet here in NY Open. AB Mike gonna get upset? Nah, Mike's come, Mike's go, but AB Mike stays forever. That's the quote. Roger.
Join your mentorship and, like, you know, doing all this. He has this algo bot running in the chat telling people to join the signal room, to join this, join that. Like, you know, how long are you going to do this? How long? For how long are you going to do that? Start a business. Start a business that.
Oh, damn. Sam Capital. Yeah, I'm not sure where Sam is. I haven't spoken to him in like, I would say a week or so. You know how Sam gets down. Sam's that guy. Sam gonna come back. Yo, Sam's gonna pull back up with the next generation, bro. Come back with like 4 or 5 kids out of nowhere. Damn. Call Sam. Should I give him a call right now on speakerphone? Right there. Four kids and no drawdown. Let's go, Ben. Lovely, brother. That's exactly what I want to hear, man. Music to my ears. Ben says, every week/month I notice my trading getting better. That's powerful, man. Sam's in love? Yes. Sam's in love. Sam caught the love bug. Alright, no closure here at 8:15. So just still remaining in this range. Planning on hunting here. So the hunt is still, we're still waiting on our kill. What up, Ecom Dre? Ecom Dre in the house. Sam's. Tandy. 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 Damn, yeah, I miss Tandy. Tandy and Odin. That's right. Wow, who said that? Dominic. Yeah, Dominic's been around for a long time. Whatever happened to Nico? Tandy's very active on Insta. Insta. Yeah, Tandy, man. I miss Tandy. Tandy is like Thor. Tandy is like... I remember, you know, I met Tandy in a sauna. And I was still building my network marketing company at that time. So I was intrigued to have a conversation with him. And I remember when he told me his name, I was not expecting that. What happened to Unk? Unk is, believe it or not, Unk is a New York City police officer at this point. Yeah. Edson's chilling. Yeah, actually, Edson messaged me yesterday. Yeah, he said he was coming back tomorrow, I think. Free John? John's here? Yeah, thanks for telling me, because I don't know, Zoom messed up there. John Stew. Welcome to the party.
How you doing?
Feeling blessed, brother. Feeling blessed.
Good.
How about you?
Hell yeah, bro. I'm feeling great, bro. I'm grateful for another day. Let's get to it. Let's get to the bag. Yeah,
Let's
woke
get
up
to it.
today. Gotta count my blessings, bro.
Hey, you heard that? You heard the song on the intro?
No, I didn't.
What? Oh, damn.
Did that Kid Leroy song?
Yeah.
Oh,
Had to
yeah.
hit him with the kid.
Count your blessings, y'all. Don't worry about what you don't have, but worry about what you do have. Focus on what you do have. But
I
yeah,
get
man,
things.
what's popping?
Everything, brother. Everything.
All right,
What isn't
we
popping,
locked in,
to be
bro. Right,
honest? What isn't popping?
we locked in,
We're
bro. We only got one life, bro.
dialed,
So
bro.
the goal we got, the life we want to live, it's an everyday, forever process. Just always trying to get better,
Yes, sir.
taking it one goal at a time.
One at a time. One at a time. The slight edge, man. A lot of people sleep on the slight edge, but me and Rob Trades were talking yesterday, and it's like everything comes down to that slight edge. So crazy. You gonna say everything? Man, I honestly, I think so. I truly think everything comes down to that slight edge, right? Doing those little things that seemingly don't really make much of a difference while you're doing them, right? But over a long period of time make all the difference. And that slight edge can work in your favor or against you, right? And it all goes down to, you know, those little things. It's not that bad to have some ice cream, you know, once a couple times a week. I mean, it's not going to do anything to you right now, right? But when you're in your 40s, you're going to be a pre-diabetic, and you're going to have to stick needles in your body all the time and take medicine, and that medicine is going to make you weak and tired and not yourself anymore. So that slight edge will compound, right, against you. But it'll also work for you, right? Because instead, if you eat a nice ribeye every day instead of a ice cream, right, then that compound, or if you eat good healthy foods day in and day out, then in your 40s and 50s you're going to be thriving, right? You're going to be your own medicine because you're going to be that damn good and healthy and you know, active, right? If you sit around and hang out and watch TV all day, it doesn't seem like it makes a major difference right now, but you know, give it 20 years, right? Same thing with going to the gym and staying active. You may not see a huge difference right now, but give it 20 years, right? Give everything 20 years. A lot of people are just too impatient.
Facts. Small steps every day lead to large leaps over time, bro. That's major facts. And like we say yesterday, choose your heart. You know, it's either the price of discipline or the price of regret. And I know that discipline leads to long-term happiness, and regret leads to it's short-term pleasure, right? And then you regret it long-term.
Yep.
The facts. How many people went to the gym and regretted it? Right? No one. How many people got fat and regretted it? A lot of people. So just choose your heart and understand which one is going to lead to like a long-term result, long-term happiness, or short-term pleasure, right? That's it at the end of the day. Choose your heart.
Choose your hard, man. Choose your hard. Choose it. It's not easy being a successful trader, you know, depending on, you know, or even an entrepreneur in general, right? It's you live, you know, day by day. There's nothing guaranteed, right? Same thing in the markets. There's nothing guaranteed here.
Nope.
Carnivore diet. Yeah. Hit legs and loved it. Yeah. Ecom Dre, you didn't just go to the gym one week and then boom, them legs just, you know, popped out of nowhere, did they? Ecom Dre, you know a little bit about the slight edge? What do you think? Or were you born with those legs? I don't know, man.
Ecom Dre.
Or did you just like happen to get stung by like the most venomous wasp right before you took that picture on both of your legs and then just say, hey,
And then
snap the pic?
it's like you went to the gym.
My man got stung by like wild African bee.
Like a tarantula
for the pic.
bee.
Yeah, man, that's the slight edge at work. Slight edge at work, right, Ecom Dre? Before pic and after. Yeah, we would love to see a before and after.
Yo, weird. I got a PP comp tray. I heard you're shredded, bro. I gotta give you a look. No Diddy.
What mosquitoes you got over there, bro? Yeah, slight edge, man. So everything comes down to it. It's just, are you willing to give it time to play out in your favor, right? Sad part is most people will gladly let it go against them, but what about going for you, right? Short-term pleasure, write this down, gang. Short-term pleasure is so overrated. So overrated. So overrated. Screw short-term
behavior.
pleasure. Yeah, bot behavior.
Right.
Thailand mosquito. So overrated.
Good morning. Yeah, bro, for real. Very overrated.
All right, 5 minutes here, and we'll have we have 8:30 news coming out. Yeah, so you got CPI and the CAD coming in, so that should actually throw a little extra volume. But then we also have core retail sales here. So you got retail sales, and you got the core. 5 minutes and 13 seconds remaining, and we will be there.
Good morning, C Melly. Yeah, I'll peep that right now, brother.
How did your transition go from a typical day-to-day work go? Wait. How did your hey man, how did your transition from typical day-to-day work go to trading? Oh, so I was always very business minded, entrepreneur minded. I was that guy who you talk to me, you go, "Hey man, how's work?" And I go, "Yeah." I just started this new job, man. I'm about to kill it. You know, that was always my thing. It was either I just started a new one or I just left one and whatever, you know. So I'll be honest, I'm not the best guy to ask because I just don't give a rip, right? I put all the chips on the table and I had a stack of some cash and I had a window of opportunity and I just went all in on myself, you know, and that was the way I did it. I did it a little bit more untraditional. I don't know if I'd recommend the way I did it. Because not to like pat my own back, but you really do have to have that within you, you know, that dog within you to just put your back against the wall and, you know, go out there and make it happen. So some people, unfortunately, just not built like that. So I don't like recommending that. You may be built like that. I'm sure you are, but some people aren't. So I don't like to throw it out there like that too much. I think you should save your money and, you know, save a year worth of expenses and pay off as much debt as you can and really take the proper route to that. But yeah, I just went all in. That's what I did. Oh, let's go. I just joined the elite program. Let's go. You've inspired me over the past few weeks. Oh, amen. Devotion to Christ. Praise the Lord. God is good. I think almost every elite member comes into the program and they go, you know, I just got to say something, man. I have no idea what it is. I don't know. I can't put my finger on it, what it is about you, but I feel like the Lord has led me. And that's just so awesome. Yeah, that's just so awesome. So welcome. I'm sure you booked a call on my calendar and I look forward to meeting you and running this up together. Yeah, W for the elites. We're gonna open the elites. I'm gonna give you guys I'll drop it in a newsletter or something where we're gonna take a cool route with the elite program and let more people have the opportunity to participate, more so of a group type of setting. I think it's gonna be fantastic. Yeah, come around some heavy hitters, some high level traders, and you know, you want to put yourself in that pond, right? You want to put yourself in a pond. You don't want to be the biggest fish in the pond. So you want to go and get yourself into a different pond with much bigger fish. That way you can grow, right? You want to leave yourself room to grow. If you're the biggest dog in the room, and I hate to do that, like I'm the teacher here right now, but I don't like this position. I like being a student. I like going into those bigger tanks and being with bigger fish so I can grow and I can stretch. And that's what I'm trying to build out here in this next phase of the elite. It's also going to be the next phase of TTE and moving closer and closer to that hedge fund vibe.
Yes, sir.
George VDM.
Oh.
Yeah. John knows the vibes.
Know it. I know the whole plan, y'all. I know how it's about to go down.
Yeah. I'm in the top 32. Congratulations. Just message them. They'll, if there's anything wrong, they'll fix it for you. And they'll do it quick. So just message them and you'll be good. Hey, let's go, Ecom Dre. Looking forward to seeing you in there, man. Shelly Nation. Hey, Shelly, I think I have to message. Did you message me on Discord? Let's see. If you,
Shelly?
hey, Shelly, if you can, send me a message on Discord, all right? Whenever you get a chance.
What's up, Xander? What's good, bro?
Oh, man, we have so many testimonies. I can share. I'll be sharing them in the newsletter, but, yeah, we got so many testimonies. We can keep bringing them out. Do I still have my network marketing company? I do. Yeah, I do. I still have it. I treat it more like an e-commerce business now. So I just, push products. I have customers, clients and stuff from back in those days, and some of them just continue to buy. Don't really put much effort into it at all, really. But it just keeps moving. All right, so we have news here. We do have a closure. It's closing above the range here as well. So there may be some opportunity here. Oh, yeah, but the news is going to come out, and that's not good. So down we go. Down we go. So I was going to say if we do get some sort of a bottom wick and then break the high, then we can run that, but all good.
All that other plans.
Hold that thought. So we may have some opportunity. Okay, shut up, Nick. Shut up, Nick Stewart. Master Splinter.
I was like, bro, stay quiet.
Yeah. Started reading
Goes
the
right
Bible
about
last
at
week.
all-time highs.
Let's go. I know. I want to dip out of here. I want to dip
Yeah,
up
right.
out of here. Hey, congrats reading the Bible, passing challenges. That's amazing, man.
That's great.
W, man. See you on the webinar, brother. Yeah, if you guys haven't got your tickets to the webinar, you guys can get your tickets. The tickets will be open too, by the way, for the next week. So you guys can get your tickets at any point, but the webinar is open. Just either find the link in the chat or go to the timetrading.com website and you can register there. Make sure you put your email in, the right email that you want the recording sent to. That way nothing gets lost in the sauce. Push down, man. Push down. Let's see if we come back up here now.
Thanks.
Yeah, webinar is going to be awesome. It's going to be incredible. Got a lot to share with you guys in a short period of time. Let's see how the news came out too. So green numbers here on the dollar. So everything's in favor for the dollar, but we'll see where price wants to go here.
Oh, let's go down.
Down, down, down. I would like to see gold go down just because I want to get away from all-time highs, but I really don't care. I'll take buys, sells, whatever.
Me too.
I will be right back, right? Give me 1 sec.
Let's go. I can hear the sound on Zoom today. We lit. Hey, yo, what's good though, chat? How you guys doing? How's everyone's day been? Morning, evening? Hope everyone's day has been great. Another New York session though. Here we back. Always great to be here. Good. Dominic, what's good? Wags. What's up, Sandman? Good, y'all. Zyper, anyone take any trades so far? Ecom Dre, Marcus was good. What's up, TK? No, not yet. Yeah, we're the same. I haven't taken any trades yet. Patiently waiting. Shout out anyone who caught those buys in Asian. That's what's up. Good work. Nosh was good. He was good. Jalen. Good. Tyler. Tyler, me and Nick are brothers. Yep. What's up, Cannon? John being the same age, think we have to become friends. Hey, let's go, bro. Let's be friends. What's up, Lights Fire? Do I play any video games? Nah, not really. No, I don't play video games. But we can talk about other stuff. Let's get energy. 2 trades in London. Nice. Way to execute. The outcome, who cares, right? The point is you execute on the edge. Right, yo, it's just another day. I'm not here to make money. I'm here to build good habits. And that's just my personal view on it. What's good, Davey P? Lifer, I'm 19, brother. 19 years young. Yeah, Marcus, I know. I know, bro. 100 pips away from all-time highs. I'm trying to get away from all-time highs. Yeah, Ronnie, I play the game of life. Game of life.
That's the sound of freedom right there, baby.
Hey, but hey, you already know I have to come in here and give you all the daily reminder today. Let's focus on these 3 key components to every successful in our plan. 1, most importantly, 2, that we're thinking in probabilities, right? We have a probabilities mindset because the sooner you develop a probabilities mindset, the sooner you start to see profitability. And 4, hey, let's have some good risk management today, right? Let's know how to manage risk and so that we could stay in this game long term, right? It's one thing to make profits, but it's another to make consistent profits. So those are just my daily reminders. The more you hear it, the more it will make sense to you.
Yes, sir. We want to make money today, but what are we actually here to do?
Yeah, right.
Chat, what's one word? What word do you think we're at? What are we actually here to do today? So obviously we want to make money, so don't say that. Right? We want to make money, but what are we here to do? Boom. Observe.
Learn and grow. Yep.
Learn,
Protect capital.
grow.
Correct.
I dig it.
Build
You
good
guys are
habits.
good.
Yes.
You guys are good,
And that's the cool thing. See, there's no guaranteed income, but what's guaranteed, or there's nothing guaranteed in life, but what's guaranteed is whatever we sow, we shall also reap, right? So if we sow good trading habits, we'll reap good trading results. And that's the idea here. Right, Nick?
That is correct, Amundo. Are they brothers? Yeah. Man said weed. Evolve. Be disciplined. Stick to the plan. I like it.
Yes, sir. Beautiful.
We're here to weed today. You
We're
gonna
here to
do
weed.
weed today, bro?
Everyone's doing it.
Be the best version of yourself. Let's go, Gold Busters. Oh wow.
Yeah, you think
News
Derek
pushing.
Jeter? Do you think Derek Jeter, when he took the field, he was thinking about making money? No, he was thinking about his job. You know, being a
Yep.
good baseball player. That's the same thing we have to do. We have to focus on trading. We don't need to focus on the money. That's gonna come, but got to focus on the trading because that's our job. We're traders.
Yeah, man. Jeter was focused on being a great shortstop. That allowed him to get paid. Right? It wasn't the other way around.
Well,
Let's see. Yes, we are brothers. Yes, we're brothers. Wow, great job,
let's
Wayne.
go, Wayne.
Heck yeah.
That's goals right there, bro. You're an inspiration, Tom.
Yeah, what's up with them golden retrievers, man? They got to start retrieving some gold.
This is some nice.
This is
leader
good.
right here.
Remember, the number one thing we had, the number one question we had today on the open of the stream was how will we react to 42? So we did reject there on the 4 hour, which is lovely, right? Lovely, lovely. So that's where we're at currently. And there was no sells here for me just because we consolidated the whole time and then news just brought us down here. So didn't really miss anything at that point. And now we will wait for closures here in 6 minutes or 30 minutes. 30 minutes gives us a closure on everything from the 4 hour down. So that may be what I'm going to look for. And then we should, after this rejection, make a top wick on the next 4 hour candle and then most likely make our way down. All right, we got good numbers on the dollar here. Gold should make its way down by 1 p.m. here today. Competition top 32, 1 versus 1. Yes. Yep. 16 will go into the next round. Yep. Exactly. Yeah, keep in mind the daily. Daily's got no bottom wick. Daily already filled the wick, did what it was designed to do here. We pushed up a little further. We reacted towards 42. We rejected. We may come back down and we may get some sort of a, either a closure right above here today or a closure back below, right? Remember, this candle here never closed above. This guy right here never closed above the range to the left. Therefore, we don't have a closure above there yet. This candle now that we're looking at, right, can easily push back down. Nice news candle here, though. Very nice. Very nice. Little fake out. You guys see the fake out? Fake out. Drive back down.
Daily and 4, we're also at like some rejection areas too.
Yeah. Is it better to avoid red folder time? In my opinion, yes. Yes. In the beginning, you got to deal with this and like, oh my God, I could have been in this, blah, 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 but it's nothing. You can get over that quick, right? We're all grown-ups here. So like red folder news can be very unpredictable. It can go up, it can go down. So I avoid the red folder news unless I'm feeling really risky or have a really good read. But at the end of the day, it's still, in my opinion, a bit of a 50-50. So I do like to avoid the red folder candles. But some other traders love red folder candles. So there's no right or wrong. It's just whatever works best for you.
Yeah. That's like everything in trading too, You're your own individual trader, so whatever works for you is what works.
Yeah.
Well, yep.
Rob,
What's up, Z Gamer?
Yeah, some traders look for these red candles and they make a lot of money off them. So there's literally no, just because I say something doesn't mean like that's what it is. It's set in stone. Yeah. Yeah, you see, I like red. See, they like red candles, red folder candles. Let's go, Rob trades.
Good stuff, Rob. Yo, shout out you all eating with these future funded accounts. Let's go. Apex, nice stuff, Rob.
Marky Mark. What's up, Mark? How you doing, man? 1 pip Mark in the house.
Good morning, Mark.
Andrew's here too. I think I've seen Andrew. Yeah, definitely seen Andrew here.
What's good, Andrew?
Ain't that cool, chat? Father and son. Some of you guys, every time we bring up Mark, we bring up Andrew, right? Because that's their father and son. Yeah, man. So cool. So cool. Trading out here, bringing families together, baby. Shout out to Mark and Andrew.
Go, Mark and Andrew about to be splitting 50-50 on the vacation, right? Once we get
Yeah.
this bag.
Can you show the top 32? Yes. I think we already did. Yeah, we already showed them. Here, I'll give you guys another. Oh, where'd it go?
Nick, I wish Dad traded with us, bro.
Here's your top 32. Top
Are there
32.
any names I know?
Oh, yeah. We got 4 elites on here, man. 4 elites on the top 32. How you doing? Freaking W,
Freaking
guys.
go.
Amazing job.
That's what's up.
Amazing job. Can we see the top 50? Nah, I don't have the top 50. I'm sure I can get it, but I don't have it right now. I need a giveaway, boss. Hero of the day is here. W. I am your father. Luke, I am your father. Amen, Richard Lewis. Amen. Preach it, brother. Preach it. What are we doing here, man? What are we doing here? If I was to ask everyone where they're from, which I'm not gonna because the chat will go crazy, so please don't let us know. But man, all over the world. We all over the world, Richard Lewis. Amen.
Believe
brother.
and obey the name of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, my Lord, Savior, and King. Gotta praise him.
Amen. 4th place, Eddie Allen. Good job, man. Good job. W, brother. 4th place.
Oh yeah, so the competition starts right today.
Yeah.
Good luck,
Yep.
good luck, y'all. Get it.
Where's my Indiana traders at? Ooh, Indiana. Let's go. Indiana. I think there's a few people from Indiana. TTE's in Indiana. Yes. The winners, excuse me, the winners will be selected by whoever's up the most percentages between their competitor. So if me and you are tied together, if you have more than me, by the end of the week, you're going to advance. So you're no longer playing against the 32, if that makes sense. Right? You're now playing against one single trader. Weed Bro is also from India. Man, I said Indiana. Pull your head out of it, Praveen. Just kidding, bro. My wife grew up in Indiana. Oh, nice. Indiana. I've never been to Indiana. Yeah, don't worry. We're gonna do multiple competitions. This one was our first one, so you know we kind of just threw it together.
Yep.
All right, 4-hour closure coming up. 15-minute close, but I'm not interested in this. We'll wait for the 4-hour here. It's been a slow last 2 days here in the markets during the NY session.
Let's get Armor of God production. Let's go, bro.
Oh,
Let's
nice.
go, man. I believe in you, bro. I believe in you because you're not going to quit. And I know you can get it done.
How many of you guys have been dream building recently?
Every day, bro.
Maybe this weekend, take some time. Maybe today, next time you got some free time, go do yourself some dream building. Don't forget to fill up the dream tank.
Facts, bro. Go feel what can be yours, right? Maybe go to a dealership too. Check out the car you want. Feel it. Right? Really feel what it would be like to have that car, and that'll get you fired up for the next week.
Yeah, anytime you're feeling a little down, a little sluggish, just go revisit that dream. You know, go revisit that dream. Go touch it, go feel it, think about it, and that should raise your spirits. Tyler Street's in the top. Tyler, you're in the top. Didn't I see your name on there? Could have sworn I seen your name on there.
Yes, sir. DJ Scratches. Oh,
DJ
man.
Scratches.
It's an everyday process, bro. Like, it's an everyday process.
DJ Scratches. Are you a DJ?
Remember, y'all, that worry takes away joy. So if we can just be in full control of our perspectives that we choose, we can be in full control of our life and where we are going in life. And understand how the law of attraction works. Your thoughts attract your reality.
Yeah,
So do your words.
Oh, wrong lot size? That's the worst. That's the worst. DJing for 15 years now. Sheesh.
Wow.
It's a process, right? Were you as good as you are today in the first week? That would be a silly question for me to ask, wouldn't it be?
Yeah, it would be.
I try and read the persistence chapter in Think and Grow Rich every day. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's a great
awesome.
chapter.
That's great.
That's really what it comes down to.
Resistance, yep. And consistency. Those two, I think, are major keys.
Yeah, so I'm going to wait on this 4-hour closure here in 9 minutes. We probably push down a little bit towards 28, 29 here. I'm going to let the 4-hour close, see if it can pull back a little bit and leave a wick for this new 4-hour candle coming behind.
We got a bleeder.
We got a bleeder. Wow. Just signed up to the webinar. Let's go, man. See you there, Mr. M. Them early days, man. That's how I feel when I go back and watch the live stream. Or I've got to show you guys the first time I ever spoke in front of people. It was crazy. I was such a rookie, man. I was such a
I was so
noob.
nervous.
I had no idea. I'd never done things like this. The video is actually mad blurry. I was talking low.
Yeah.
You guys see this? Can you guys see that? It was at a big home event. There was like 35 people there. Yeah, and then the first time I ever spoke on stage, oh man, I didn't even know I was speaking. I didn't even know I was speaking that day. Yeah, man. They were like, all right, next speaker, bring him up, Nick Stewart. I'm like, wait, what? I was like, nah. Yo, man.
They forced you out. They forced you out of your comfort zone.
You know what's funny, though? I guess, so I didn't know this at the time, but there was a list that went out before, like, so everyone knew who was speaking, and if you were on the list, you knew that you were speaking that night, but I never spoke, so I wasn't really ever paying attention to that list, right? So So when I get to the event that night, as I'm signing in, one of these guys go, "Yo, Nick, I'm super pumped to hear you speak tonight." I'm like, "Wait, what? What do you mean?" He's like, "Yeah, man, best of luck, bro." And he just walked away. I'm like, nah. He must be confused or something. Like, I would have
Heart
been,
starts pumping.
I would have gotten, notified that I would be speaking, right? Like, especially my mentor was standing right there. And I'm like, all right, yo. So I go sit down, and then a couple people talk, and then next thing you know, they call me up, and I was like, what? But luckily, they called me up to talk to the audience about the importance of reading books, and man, I was on my game. So it don't matter when you're on your game, right? When you're on your game, you're gonna talk, and you're gonna say something special when you're doing what you're preaching, right? So yeah, it was pretty cool, but I was definitely caught off guard, man. Definitely caught off
Your
guard.
friend dipped, and then you were probably looking at the door like, should I leave?
I'm sitting there questioning the whole time now, and I'm thinking, wait, hold on. Yeah, and then it came. I was like, wow. Had to sit like an hour and a half too before that.
How many people were there? Maybe like 300?
I got that on video too. Yeah.
Fire.
This was it right here.
Did your action cure your fear though? Once you got up there and you started speaking, you weren't scared anymore? Nervous?
Nah. I mean, I was a little nervous, Yeah, man. I dropped some sauce though. Maybe I'll hit you guys with that video. Drop some sauce. I got videos of Johnny Boy cracking home runs. Holy.
Oh, hell yeah, bro.
All right, 4 minutes.
Dun, dun. I used to go off when you would pull up to my games too.
I remember. I'd be out here dancing with crackheads in Baltimore. That's my dog right there. You already know.
My dog, that's my dog.
Hey, Baltimore, they don't play out there, man. It's crazy.
We gotta go out there, bro.
This is me and Joe's first time making online trading money. Y'all see the HFX? The high frequency forex trading? What you know about that? How you doing? Nobody knows nothing.
How you doing?
Oh,
Let's
man.
go.
Good times.
Now we back in the markets today.
Yep, with a 4-hour closure.
Yo, what's good,
on the
Hank?
way.
Yo, Hank, I was thinking about you, bro. Did you quit Uber yet? I know you said you were gonna.
Hank, what's good, bro?
That payout hit, right?
Gang, some of you guys don't
Let's go, Hank. Good stuff, bro. Yeah, I was thinking about you, bro. Good work. All right.
Yeah, shout out to Hank. Hope you got your payout, man. Hey, a couple years later, this is what the crowd's turned into. Look at this. This is me and my wife up there. Mackin'. Big crowds after that. Yeah. That's what I love to do, man. Love to do it. Let's go, Hank. When you flying out to Florida? Yeah, look at that.
Wait for me, bro.
Look at that. We tapped target perfectly there. Perfectly. It don't get much better than that.
Yo, Hank, that was with Apex, right? Is 53 pip slippage a normal thing? No, it's not. Yo, Hank, bro. All expenses on you. All right, bet. Bet. We can go golfing with me and Nick. 15 300Ks. Wow, bro. That's fire. Yeah, bro. I'll be back up in Florida in September. So, dude, pull up. You got 15 300K accounts. You're big chilling. And plus, we could just make money while we trading. While you're traveling, bro. That's the pro of trading. Hell yeah, go pull up and we'll go golfing. Me, you, and Nick, bro. September 2, it's gonna cool down. So, oh wow, your best trading days are all on a plane, bro. Love it, love it. That's what's up. Goals right there, bro.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm down. Yeah, someone said slippage. It is normal if you took a trade during this news release, then yeah, definitely. But other than that, no. Like it shouldn't. It's not normal unless you're trading red folder news.
Yeah, facts. Yeah, just understand when you're trading forex that the slippage could go up with news.
You getting sleeped. All right, this is the new 4-hour candle here. So, excuse me. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis and let's get this next session here started properly. So, taking a look at the daily time frame. So, the daily time frame created support here. We had a celery play. We moved up. We have yet to close above this resistance to the left-hand side, right? As you notice, there's very little to no bottom wick on this daily candle as well, and we have currently already filled the wick, which means we've done the job that this daily candle was designed to do, and now we're beginning to pull back. So considering that, all of that, right, now we look at the 4-hour, we actually have a 4-hour bearish closure, right? So now we've got a closure. Let's look left here to give us some information. So we close below here, but we still have this zone right here. Boom, that we're still remaining above. So let's keep that in mind as we approach shorts in the market here today. 4-hour did close bearish though. You have a wick to fill, which is in our case today about 25 pips. So gonna need a top wick here. Let's see what the 1-hour looks like. 1-hour very aggressive move down after that news event. We have to be careful here, right? Because this is where we can get a 1-hour fake out and this next 4-hour candle to continue pushing up. So I do like potential like buys above there, being that we are still pretty bullish on the day. I'm gonna look to take my sells below 24.31 here. We've got a nice clean range below there, which is gonna be about a 62 pip range, and then we'll keep an eye on how everything plays out with these buys here. So that's gonna be what I'm looking at for now. 30-minute, where was that? Wait, where was that other resistance? Where'd that other one go? Weren't we just looking at one here? Oh yeah, right here. So based off the 1-hour, if you get a closure back above, it looks pretty good, right? Or 30-minute time frame to continue back up here. So gonna look for potential sells below this the break of the low here at 31, and then buys above 33 here. Buys above 33, and that's pretty much all we got to work with as of right now. You got a clean range coming down towards like 25, and then obviously you got a decent move coming back up here. Yeah. And that's it. Yeah, and in the middle, this is the middle. So we got highs, 4-hour highs here, 4-hour lows here, and now we've got price surrounded.
You're cool with buys just because daily's bullish and 4-hour and for the 4-hour topic, right?
Yeah, just because we're extremely bullish here. I mean, we're extremely bullish.
Feel that.
Yeah, if you guys like, you can wait for range 2 buys, but I'm pretty good. I'm pretty game above or below these ranges now. as I mentioned earlier in the breakdown,
I agree.
We would be you know, moving these ranges around a bit today at some point. Clone. All right, cool. All right, big closure. Big closure here. You got about a 30 pip range moving up, 30 to 60 pip range here as well. So I have 400 to my name. What would you say I need to be profitable in trading without like overdoing it, just wasting money? If I had 400 to my name, I'd go pick up some books and some resources to grow. I'd hire a mentor. I'd look for some course. I'd read books. I'd really try and get my myself better, right? Because once I'm better, then I could begin to read the markets better and control my emotions better, stay composed more, be patient, be disciplined, understand the process. So that's what I would do. If you're already well equipped in that area, then go ahead and throw your 400 in and trade the best you can.
Yeah, I would say you definitely have a better shot getting a funded account over a live account, just because you can get a bigger payout. But yeah, you do your thing.
Yep.
Because you got a little capital, and that's the good things about funded accounts. It's for people who don't have that much capital.
Maybe get a small funded account and purchase the book, The Forex Mindset. And then you should still have money left over.
Get the Forex Mindset and pick up As a Man Thinketh too. Probably like $13.
17. No, I don't know. I think it's like 17.
Okay.
Yeah, or go get a job so you get some more bread. Hey, hold on.
Yeah,
I'll be right back.
facts. Yeah, facts, man. There's nothing wrong with getting a job, right? If you don't have the capital, it's understanding that you're on a mission, right? Understanding that the journey to the top becomes sacrifices, right? So sometimes you got to humble yourself, get that job so you can so you can have enough capital to fund this business. You know what I'm saying? Nothing wrong with that, bro. It's a very humbling thing, but it will suit you, you know? It's gonna teach you lessons, and it's just another season of life. Right? If we're just on a mission, if we're playing a game, it's just another level to the game. Because like I said before, I think there's a huge difference with having a job and working it, and having a job and having a plan on how to get out, right? And I would personally write that plan out, right, and read that plan every day, so you know what the goal is. A wise man once told me, you know, if he's gonna look to accomplish a goal, he sets out a plan, he executes that plan, and then he iterates. He repeats that plan. He performs that plan repeatedly, right? And in the iteration process where he'll find his truth. But plan, execute, and iterate. Yeah, facts, Wayne. It'll also take pressure off you to not have to make money in trading. I think that's major key, right? Because even the top dogs in Wall Street, they're getting paid salaries. So you don't want that. Really can affect your trading, right? If you're looking to survive, if you're looking like if it's a survival game at that point, you're looking to make your rent, you know, in the markets, like then you can be forcing trades, and then that's signs that you're needing the money, right? And neediness repels money. So I would definitely say, you know, get a job, you know. You don't want to be stressing while you're trading, because you just want to be focused on trading. You want to be focused on making that rent money, right? Because making money and trading, they have nothing to do with each other at all. Let's go, Tamra.
See, those
Yeah,
were much better trades, or much better answers than I give. All right, what did I say?
Well,
buy Forex Mindset and throw the rest in the account. I like John's advice better, and someone else in the chat made some better advice here. Listen to them.
Yeah,
Don't
Wayne.
listen to me.
Yep. Yeah. Nah, yeah. Good things take time, right? Good things take time. Most good things do.
Okay. Okay. So 4-hour candle making a top wick. Coming up here, this is perfect top wick on the 4-hour if we do decide to move down. We may not move down though, right? We may continue this bullish rally here. So we'll see how the 30-minute candle closes here. Got about 20 minutes on that. Got about 5 on the 15, and then we'll see where we're at.
Yes, thank you, Rapid Max. Rome wasn't built in a day. Facts. Good things take time.
Yep. Good question just got posted in chart for stream. Oh, let's take a look. Let's take a look here. Okay, want to be fluid in the markets. All right, 4-hour tap target. Overall buy. Okay, so everything's bullish here. 30-minute chart, 4-hour chart. I want to be more fluid in the markets from now. I want to know if this setup conditions make sense and if Nick would take this in the live markets. Here we have a fake out, target tap. Let me know if this would be a profitable setup against a bias. I ignore this type of stuff, these type of trades, because I was scared to trade against a higher time frame. The question is it a good trade to take a fake out against a bias if we tap target? Yeah. So that's what this whole idea is about, you know? So, and that's why I always tell you guys, this is the more riskier trade. Why? Because we're going against what the eye is seeing. The eye is seeing that we are bullish, but now the next question I want you guys to ask yourselves, so those of you guys that have that struggle with telling a story from time frame to time frame, I don't want you to leave it at we're bullish, right? I want you to say we're bullish, but where? Right? Where are we bullish? And if we're bullish at the top of a zone, meaning we've tapped a target here on the daily, or let's say the 4-hour, then that automatically begins to, in a way, make us bearish, right? Because we believe that the bullish move has done its job. We're getting confirmations on the lower time frame that it may start to pull back from here, and that would make sense if you're at some sort of a major level, right? And yeah, so that would be the idea, is to, you know, take price down, right? Now you got to know, where do I want to take price down to? So this would be, let's see, you guys see this candle here? Let me redraw it, right? Let's say we're anticipating the last 30 minutes of this candle sells, and this is what it looks like. We got a resistance form. We're going to take that sell. So what we're anticipating this candle over here, this 4-hour candle, to look like within that next 30 minutes is more so something like this, right? And that wick right there that's been formed, right, that pullback, is this move on the 30-minute time frame as price starts to break the lows and drive down. Right now, you can get out of your trade there, or you can hang tight, because we know that the next candle will most likely give a bottom wick as well, right? And then start to move up. So that's what I mean, knowing when to get out, right? And if you hit that target, close your trade and go, because we might tap there and then end up start coming back up, because remember, the bias is still bullish. So you got to know how to time it. We're going to talk a lot about this in the webinar later on in the month, but this is a very crucial point. And me and Eugene were going over some things yesterday about the timing of these things playing out. And yeah, I feel like we got a really good read, and we're pretty dialed in on it. So yeah, great question here, man. Great question. But those are my ideas on that. And then what you can do, and I don't want to make it seem like you're just picking trades out of everywhere, but once you get down in that zone, right, if you start to reject again, now you can look for those buys coming back up. So it allows you to put a little bit more trades on the board, but you got to be professional and responsible with these things, right?
Sir,
Great question, bro.
gotta know how to identify market trends for sure.
Yep. Very good. Very good.
What's up, Green? Yeah, well said, brother.
Yeah. The idea is like, so let's say that there's a 4-hour target right here, right? Somewhere here. So this is their 4-hour target, right? Right at the bottom of these lows there. So there's going to be times where price hits it and does like this, right? And on the lower time frame, you're going to see this. You're going to see a little, let's just do it like this. Let's pretend it's the lower time frame. Move up. Boom, move up. Right? And then you're going to see something like this. Right? A weak bearish candle. So there was a few times where I made the mistake of taking the fade now off of that. But what I noticed is that price wanted to push up one more time. Right? You get one more push. And that's the 4-hour attempting to go again. And what you'll get is like somewhat of an exhaustion wick. And then the next candle will typically look like this. I don't want to confuse y'all here. Right? And then the next candle is the driver. Yeah. Just wait on it. You guys will see this over and over. But this is how I've seen it playing out most of the time here. Is that you get this first sign. And that's usually the fake out, the trick. Right, and then you get this next candle to push up, another one to almost fill it, fail to fill it, the next one breaks the lows, it's gone. So I don't want to confuse y'all. Watch that over like 15 times. Yeah.
That's to do with reading candles as well.
Yeah, it's really all about reading candles.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll see it. That's why you see a couple times where we were early. Because we didn't wait for that second push, you know, that second push to go up there and retest that level again. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. I don't think we have quite enough data yet to point a good finger on it, but we will soon. You know, we will soon. And these are the things that you learn, right, in the learning process of studying these ideas and these moves. And you know, what a time to be on this live stream here while you get to see me discover new ideas and work towards them and show you how I work towards them and show you how I don't rush them. I go low risk. I take my time. I collect my data. I'm in no rush. Notice how I'm planning this whole setup. I want to learn here in 2024, and then I want to make money in 2025 on these setups. Yeah, I'm trying to display what the process is really like versus what you guys see on, you know, FX Stud 995's Instagram account. Right? I don't want you guys to be deceived. Yeah, you got great questions. Yeah, you really do. Good questions get good answers, man.
Keep the good questions coming. Excuse me.
Hey. So was I in debt when I first started? My debt was paid on the cross. Hallelujah. Did I have any debt? No, not really. Little car payment or something. That was it. Yeah, I never went crazy financially, man. Some of y'all being like 200, 300K in debt. I'm like, how? Like, what? What y'all buying?
Conformity, bro.
What the heck are you buying?
It's
that you are
the blind leading the
300,000 in
blind.
debt? Credit card debt, for that matter. Not even like mortgage.
That's what happens when you follow a follower.
True.
The results you get.
Bought that new, I bought that new Lambo as an investment. I know I was only making 10 G's a month, but I had to get it, man. They told me it would be good for networking opportunities.
Marketing.
And marketing. It's a business write-off, TK. All right, 11 minutes here. I'm not budging on the 15 here, but the 30 looks pretty clean, so I'm gonna wait on that. That Lambo investment. All right, yeah, I want to see. We got this little zone here, so we'll see how we react. Oh yeah, about following someone in the minefield. Yeah, that's true. Still hanging on to that buy. All right, man. All right, let's go. Let's go. It's coming back up. Am I more inclined to buys? I would like to take a buy, but I'm also open to sells right below 31 here. 4 hour is pretty bearish still, so we're just potentially making a top wick. The tough part about this now is that the 4 hour top wick is up here, right? So if that 4 hour top wick's here, you already know now, hey, if we break the high, we can have a little bit more confidence in those buys, right? But being that the 4 hour high is up here, that means price can come all the way up there and then still continue down here today, right? So that's what makes it tough, is when that high is way up there on the 4 hour. Two pretty slow days though to start this week.
Yep.
I got 2 trades this week, both of them in Asian session. Crazy. Sunday night and last night, Monday night. Anna's like, yo, you've been liking these Asian session trades. I'm like, we do a little Asian. We do a little Asian. Asian's the new New York. Oh, F350? Yeah, my dad got that truck. It's a nice truck. Traders trade, man. Word, I'm scratching. I'm itching and scratching for a trade. So 15 minute is moving up here, but I'm not losing sleep over this. 9:30 should lead us to the promised land. Took buys on Asian. Yeah, me too. I took buys right here on the break of this high. Partials right here. The rest of it got hit at full TP, like right here. Had my TP sitting from some level over here. I think it was this one. Green. Me and Green did a private Zoom chat. He came in the chat. I was already 14. I was already closing parts. I see you're late, bro. You're late. I had these buys all set for me and Green to take, and I just had to take them alone. What a shame, Green.
Good morning, Dylan.
All session? Yeah, when do you want to do all session stream, John? John's gonna host that one.
Whatever you want, bro. Let's wait till I get back. How about that?
All right, cool. We'll do a 24-hour stream in maybe September. How about we do it at what are we at right now? Subs. Where are we at on the sub number? Are we we're pretty close to 40, I believe. I think we're like 36, right? 36, 37,000.
38.
Yeah, I say.
So what you want to do? 40?
We'll do it around 40, eh?
All right, bro. That should be perfect timing.
Yeah, friendly reminder, if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Pull up here every day. We're doing this Monday through Friday. having some fun, making some money. Time to eat.
Yes, sir.
AB Mike fell asleep. No wonder why gold's been slacking here. Now that AB Mike's up, I think we can make some moves here.
Good gold. What's good? Looking to invest. Give me a deal. Business deal.
Yeah, no, I've traded many other pairs outside of gold. This was at one point this was my whole watch list over here. So mainly, so the main pairs I traded was USD CAD, GBP AUD, GBP JPY,
Euro USD.
Euro USD in the beginning, but not too much. That was pretty much it. I trade GU, GA, GJ, a lot of pound pairs. I used to trade the London session early on. I would just stay up all night, but then I had kids and stopped doing that. But AUD, USD, those are all pairs that I used to trade during London. I used to trade a lot of the pound. Gold came about in 2021, I believe.
Thank God.
Yeah, I just started getting into some futures. All right, so we got a closure coming up here in 5 minutes. Were you a math? Nope, I never heard of that name. Why you update trades that you didn't take on the stream? Because there's still trades, so it's still my record. Right, so I'm trying to flex my record here. Flex on them, flex on them. Why you ask? Is that going to be a problem? Want to show off my skill set.
Relax.
By the way, every trade I take, I post it in the Discord immediately. Immediately. So that way, none of you guys can go back and say, "Hey, man, I wonder if he really took that trade."
Guess we'll never know.
That'll be funny out here in YouTube land. Difference between forex and futures? Not really. The main difference that I've seen is just the spreads, the commission. Yeah, a little bit of the commissions, but the spreads and the slippage and the whole crypto thing and having to go through crypto and all that. So just a couple little things in terms of like the actual trading aspect of it. I mean, there's really zero difference. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you want to log all your trades, Gamby. You want to log all of them. So all of them go into here.
Oh yeah.
Right? And then I'll put them in the overlay too.
Three minutes for a closure.
What made me lock in on gold? I don't know, man. Something just really I got to liking the fact of like actually trading gold. Not many people were doing well on gold, and I don't know. I just felt called to trade gold. Yeah,
Well, we also knew it was like a big moving pair too as well, and Raja also traded it too.
Yeah.
When we.
Yeah. Dolek, you've been hating all stream, bro. What's up with you? What's got up your rear end today? Oh,
You woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
I'll be counting. You count, brother. You count.
You count, we'll count our bread, you count our trades.
Yeah, I'll be counting to the bank. You just keep counting my trades, bro. You've been hating all stream, man. I don't know. What's up with you today?
Oh, bro, you gotta focus on yourself, man.
Get your head out of your rear end or pack it up.
Pack it up, get out of here.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Chill, Nick. Chill. Sinner saved by grace. You're a sinner saved by grace. You're a sinner saved by grace. All right, cool. All right, 1 minute here for a closure. 1 minute.
That brother stalled.
All right, let me pull this up. Let me get ready. All right, so we're coming into 9:30 here. It look like we're getting a closure above this level possibly, right? So let's see what we got going on here. It's about a 60 pip move. Stops are a little steep at this point. We'll see if we can get maybe a bottom wick here and then look to go long here if we get a top wick on this candle. If we don't get a top wick on this candle, then there may be an opportunity for the fade, but I would want to see this candle move up first. And then when we break the lows, that would be the opportunity.
Yeah, is that going to be back-to-back 9:30 candles? No top it? Let's see. Wow.
All right, yeah, so we don't have a top wick. So let's see if we can push up a bit towards, I would say, at least, the bottom of this range here. And then we may have some opportunities here to catch this 4 hour moving back. Yeah, would like to see a bottom wick first, like that, a little bit further, and then make our way back up. We have volume coming in here, so if we make a bottom wick and re-break the high, there shouldn't be a reason that we turn around and break the low unless we want to begin driving on that 4 hour. So let's see if we can make that low here, push up, and then we'll have I'll have a sell stop on the break of the low.
Where would you keep your stops above the high?
Yeah, probably above these. Yeah, this probably, so wherever this high is, that's where I'm going to keep it. But I do want to see us kind of flip bearish a little bit here. I'm fed up. Persuado, whatever that means. Dolek. Turn the stream off then.
I forgot about that, dude.
Dolek. What are you watching for then, dude? Why are you here? What are you doing? All right, yeah, if we can make that low, that would be great. Imagine being fed up with a stream, but just keep coming back every day. I don't know what
I think
it is.
he's fed up with his own life.
Yeah, what would be the point of returning? I just don't understand that.
Nothing changes if nothing changes. Yeah, no.
Persuado trader means you act late when price already high or price already low. Oh, he's actually taught me something. Oh, nice. Okay. Hey, you learn something new every day, man. God bless Dolek, man. God bless you, brother. Teaching the crowd, teaching the chat, teaching me. W.
Yep.
And I don't know, man. It does pretty well. It does pretty well.
All right. Forgot about him now.
15 seconds of fame is over. Can I join full-time trading so that one doesn't miss? I'm not sure what that means.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay.
Yeah, you could join us. Join us right here on the YouTube live streams, Monday through Friday. Okay, look at this. So we're going to reject here. So can we flip back up and just make one more run up here? All right, push up just a little bit. I want to see us flip bull one more time.
I'm with you.
One more time. Because we can flip and then break the highs and drive, right? Because we did close bullish, so we don't want to get caught too early here. So that's why I would want to wait for that flip. One more run up. If not, I wait for a resistance and then take an onion play.
Yeah.
Simple game.
Keep it simple.
Why more run up? Because one more run up, because if this candle doesn't have a wick, right? We close bullish. So this candle's going to want to make a wick. So if it makes this wick, it can now flip bullish. So we want to see it make that wick, flip bullish, and then fail, right? And then re-break the low for that extra confirmation. So that's why we want to wait here for that flip, you know. And then once that flip is there, that's when we'll set a sell stop.
Yes, sir. This is called being patient and disciplined. Yes, sir. Lights fire. Always opportunity.
All right, perfect. There it is. So now I have a sell stop on the break of the low here. And then stops are going to be wherever this high is. Yeah, I'm going to have oh, what did I do? Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm going to have a sell stop there on the break of that low. So if we're going to get a bottom wick, that's where it's going to be. And we should push up here. So if we don't push up and we break that low, very high chance we begin to come down. Very high chance. If not, we run up, no problem. We won't get activated.
After you place the sell stop, where's the stop loss and TP for tops? Like, how do you place on top step?
So you don't. So once you get activated, you'll drag it.
Okay, all right, but
Yeah. Am I trading NQ? No, I'm trading gold. Why a sell stop? Because why a sell stop, right? So the 4 hour is currently bearish. Right, we close bearish here. We can make our way all the way up towards 43 and still come back down. The 1 hour is pretty bearish as well. We also did close below this range here. The 30-minute here closed with no top wick. So one thing we know about no top wick is that most of the times price is gonna reject, right? It's gonna go up, it's gonna look for that wick, it's not gonna be able to find it, and then it's gonna break the low and drive. So that's the main purpose. We have lots of volume coming in at this point, and if we break that low, that's where you should get a nice push, and that should lead this 4 hour candle to start, you know, flipping bearish. Why'd I choose top step?
and it's also 9:30.
I just have some friends that trade it. They like it. I also would like to maybe see if I can get connected with Top Step and get like the community a deal, and you know, see if we can do something with them. Yeah, and that's why we wanted to wait for that candle to flip bullish again, because of this situation right here that you're looking at. My stops are going to be the high. So wherever this candle makes a high, that's where my stops are going to be. All right, that looks good. Coming up into this range. So we'll see if we continue up from this area, but This is ideally where we want to see that top wick. So you see how we can come all the way up here, man. Let's see what we do here at this zone. Do I use Top Step or Tradeovate? I use the Top Step X platform. Yeah, so there's our move up here. Let's see if we're gonna make a top wick on this candle. Did I consider long? I did, but this candle closed with no top wick. So if this candle would have left a wick, I would have been looking more so for buys, but it didn't.
Bro, this happened back-to-back days at 9:30.
Back to back. Yeah, stops are getting a bit wide here. So what we can do now is I'm going to delete this, and then we'll look for that opportunity up here, depending on the closure here.
Yes, sir.
So delete the sell stop. I'm deleting my sell stop, and now I'm going to wait for that next opportunity. So now my job is to see how are we going to react to this zone right here. Because if I'm going to buy, I'm taking profits right there.
Yes, sir. Unfortunately, Nick, I got to dip though. Got
You're
an
out?
appointment I got to run to. Yes, sir. So I'll be on my phone. I'll see what's up. But yeah,
All right,
I'll
sweet.
hit you back up a little bit later.
Okay, sounds good, bro.
I bet. All right, chat. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good day. Nick, I'll talk to you later, bro.
Later, Gator.
Peace.
See ya.
Peace.
Peace, bro. Hey, chat, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Woo! Look at that. Pushing. Pushing. Still in the long? Let's go, candles. Still in the long position. All-time highs are in sight. Where are they? Over here. Yeah, we're those that are in buys are feeling good. Pump it. Let's see what the Nasdaq's doing. Not too crazy. Goldie, man, wow. Four-hour broke the highs here, so 4-hour has smoked the highs, and now we're continuing up. Yeah, if this candle left a wick, that would have been nice. That would have been nice of this candle, but no wick there. 15, yeah, nah, it wasn't good. Wasn't good. And hey, that's why, so you guys see now why I waited for that low? Because if we don't have that low and you get in right here, all price has to do is come down and make a new low, and then it can shoot up like that. So that's the main reason why maybe some of you guys were confused, and I'm like, it got to go up and down and up and down. That's the reason, right? Because I didn't want to get stuck in a sell here, and that goes on and happens, right? Because we damn sure know we wouldn't have closed any partials, we wouldn't have been break even, nothing, right? And then this thing would have flew up there on us. Let's go. Candles don't lie. Congrats, man. Nice trade. I don't know where you were in from. Were you in from London? No topic. Hey, blame this guy right here. Blame this dude right here. We have a 9:45, so this 15 is gonna close here. So let's see what happens. How far are we from that all-time high now? 40 pips. 40 pips. Was the fade earlier for buys? Yeah, that was like the 4-hour closure though, right? Yeah, it was tough. That was a little tough because there was not many signs there. Yeah, let's see the 15 closure coming up here. $15 closure. So again, if we can break the high, then I may be interested in these sells. Can we break the all-time highs? Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we may break all-time highs today. Unless we get a pullback. Let's see. All-time highs, yeah, let's see all-time highs coming up. We could witness some history, that's for sure. We've been witnessing history a lot together. So yeah, you still got room to go up. You do have a wick here. Let's take a look to the left-hand side. See what we're working with. It's gonna take a little bit. Okay, so you got resistance there. So yeah, we still got some room to go. We're a bit overextended at this point. If I want to see maybe if we can plant support and then we can continue up. So it might be like another 15-minute candle here. Even if we get like a 15 celery. $33 pips, yeah, it's coming. Price could reject. It could reject because we are pushing up all-time highs, but we do have room here. So if this thing drives now, it's okay. I don't care. I mean, we already missed this move. If it plants a support, then I'll look to have a buy. Meaning, let me move this. Meaning, like, if you get a bearish closure, right, to come down, and then you get a new support here, then I'll look to take buys because now you've got a brand new support and price should be good to make a new leg up. But until that happens, we may just rally all the way up there. Yeah. Mr. Mac, yeah, that's a good observation. Good observation. I'll have to take a look at that. Hey, Candle Slanger, where are you? Where was your entry? I'm curious. Curious, because you've been holding that buy all session. Looking left, yeah, looking left on the daily. Yeah, daily, this is your all-time high. So if we end up filling that wick, I mean, that's going to be pretty insane here. Can we flip bullish? We did not. Not yet. Selling from 39. Selling from 39. 39, stop. What you mean? What do you mean selling from 39? We're at 46, 44. Yeah, I do like these sells here. Like, if you start breaking lows, this looks pretty dang good, right? It almost looks like this was that push we're talking about, and then you may get the next one. So I'm gonna see if we get a closure below. I'm definitely open for sells here. One hour close in 10 minutes. Yep, 10 minutes. Morning. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. So we broke 4-hour highs. That's all we know, right? Is that we broke those 4-hour highs. We're continuing to push up bullish here, and there's not much happening. Not much happening at all. Sell stop now? Nah. I think the closure below is going to be a lot better here. Especially after now that we've broken 4-hour highs and we're starting to run up pretty heavy here. I think a closure below is going to have to do it. Treat it like a, yeah, you can treat this like a bullish breakout. Yeah, there is a lot of momentum here. It's just I never like buying to this high. Never. I just don't have good stats that way. Yeah, I'd be open to waiting on that support and then taking a sell. Or I'm sorry, a buy. So waiting on a new support and then taking a buy. I need a support. If we can get this, then buys look pretty good. Close below fake out? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Closure below, we take a potential fake out there. Let's see this. Yo, what up, GG? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm watching 24.49 up here. Yeah, that's the top of the range there. So yeah, we'll see. It's too bullish. Too bullish, too bullish. Why don't we wait for a closure, chat? Why don't we wait for a closure? 5 minutes. If any of you guys who are participating in the tournament took those buys, that's a nice W. Way to get on the board early in the tournament this week. Yeah. All-time highs incoming. We may respect all-time highs here today. We'll see. Gladiators. Let's go. Gladiators. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking for. Either a fake out or some sort of a support to form, pretty much. At 43 here. 43,500. What up, Zoomers? Let's see the Discord. Yeah, this was really good, AJ. I'm not AJ, Mr. BTC. I'm gonna probably use this example. So thanks for drawing that. Thanks for drawing that up for me. Where is it? This one. Yeah, this was good. Good stuff. Way to take the time and draw this, man. All right, we're starting to move our way down here now. Lovely. We'll see if we can get the fake out. But here comes the fade. Fade. Use it? Alright, yeah, we might use it for the webinar or something. It's a good visual. Yeah, it's a good visual. It's a good like scenario too. All right, 3 minutes for a closure here. We'll see how we close. Imagine the monthly flipping on the 31st. Monthly's right there, man. Sheesh. Sheesh. This is a good example of the fade too. You see how if you would have took the sell on off of this one, you would have been too early. It has to make that next push up, that next leg up, and then you may get resistance here, right? And then start fading off on the monthly chart. Monthly's been bullish here since February, basically since we've been bullish. Right? We struggled a little bit in January and February, and we just got bullish after that. It's kind of like our community. Yeah. when we're taking a trading, the fade trades, what's the entry criteria? So a lot of times that's going to be on the break of the lows, right? So that'll be on the break of the lows there. But you want to see things like you're seeing on the monthly, right? Where you have a couple wick rejections, some failures, price is not really able to go ahead and break the highs, you know, things of that nature. And then you want to see like a last attempt and then the break of the lows. If you're looking for like a selling fade, right? If you don't get that, I think it's best to wait and just wait on closures, right? Like this candle closing now. If you can close below the ranges, then just take the fake out / onion over the fade, right? And another thing when you're looking at the fade to be careful with is, are you above or below the range? Like notice how we're still above the range before we close. So that could be a little dangerous too, because you're still remaining above that zone, right? So keep an eye on that as well. You really want to see a closure. Like most of the fades you see me take, it's because the zone was up here, right? And we're already remaining below it, but here we're into a new range, right? So we really want to see us close back below the range. All right, 21 seconds here. 21 seconds. Same place we were before. 8 seconds. All right, cool. All right, so I'm gonna see if we can get a top wick here. We got a closure below the range. If we can get a top wick, I'm gonna have some sell stops on the break of the lows. Yeah, vantage points will be somewhere around this level here, and then full targets down here on this, you know, to fill that wick. So let's see if we can come up, make a top wick, and then we may have a sell stop. Let me set it up over here too. Sell stop. Okay, cool. Sell stop. If we make a little low, that's better, just so we can have a little low to trade off of. This is going to be a high risk trade. Yeah, this can definitely be a high risk trade, right? Because we are bullish, but we see that we do get a closure, right? So we did get a closure below. It's on the 15. You close below on the 30 as well. So yeah, this is what we wanted to see now. So after we pushed up from, what was it? This, what was that? 38. Now we're up here at 43. So now we want to see how we begin to react to 43 here. Enough of the bullish momentum. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop here. Sell stop. Yeah, stops are gonna be above the highs for now, and then if we get this top wick, then you can move your stops, you know, to that point. All right, cool. Cool. Yeah, our candle's still open here. Our candle's still open. You've got 57 minutes left. Just opened up. Closed right at resistance. Closing below, no bottom wick, yup. Yeah, if not, then we may push up here, right? And if it gets too confusing, I'm gonna just call it a day. Because once it gets too confusing, you do not want to be in the market at that point, right? Right now, this is familiar price action. We close below. If we flip, we should move down. If we close above, we may begin to push up. If we start just closing weird candles, then I'm out. You know, I'll just call it a day, come back tomorrow. 1 hour closed above. 1 hour closed. Maybe slightly above. That's fine. Yeah, it's still good for me. Why no one trading? Everyone just analyze charts? Well, I would say trading is like 10% of the time. So you can't expect to be here for 3 hours and be trading 2.5 hours of that time. That's just unrealistic. What's the win rate on the fade? I gotta double check, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I think we've taken 30, 38 or 39 now, and I think we've won like 35 of them. But this isn't a fade. This would be considered a fake out / onion play. Yeah, so the difference between the fake out and the onion, so you can consider this like a 1 hour fade, right? Where if you start flipping bearish and breaking the lows, 30-minute fade, but I'm mainly basing this off of the 15-minute time frame here, flipping down, you know, even if the 1 hour is bullish, I'm expecting a bottom wick and, you know, 4 hour tap and target there. So yeah. 30 closed below though. Yeah, 30 did close below. So, and 15 closed below, giving a fake out. Now look, 15-minute is going to be our lowest confirmation. So, you know, manage your risk well, right? Stay low, keep your size low on this trade, because it's a 15-minute until you get a 30 closure, right? That's when I could probably pump the size up a little bit. But for now, off the 15 closure, I'm going to keep it, I think I'm risking 2% on this trade. So keep it like 2% and go from there. No real bottom wick on the 4 hour as well. 4 hour. Yeah. We got something there. A little something. We'll see. We'll see if we get activated. I like how it's spending time here, bullish, and there's 8 minutes left on the 15 candle here. So I like that we spent the first couple minutes moving up, and now if we flip, it should be good to go. Is there a YouTube video on the fade? Yeah, there is. Just go to the playbook video and it'll be in there. You can fast forward to like, I don't know. Just look at it. You know what I mean? Like, watch it, and then once you see me talking about the fade, then pay attention. Yeah, I think I'm gonna delete this though and wait on the 15 closure now and see if we can get somewhat of a 15 sell replay. Yeah, I'm gonna delete that, and if we, as long as this 15 closes below the range, then I'm still in for these shorts here. Yeah. Who sold NASDAQ? Damn! Yo! Holy. AB Mike, where did you sell this thing, bro? You had a nice closure here. Really nice closure, actually. Wick fill? Wick fill. Nice job, AB Mike. Anybody else? All right, so there is 6 minutes left. I did delete my my sell stops here. I'm gonna wait and see if we can get somewhat of a 15-minute sell replay. As long as we remain below that range, we should be good to go. Heart attack. Hey, hold on one sec. Let's see. Yeah, good trade, AB Mike. W, bro. That thing ran. My guy's back to NASDAQ. He's back to the NASDAQ. Oh, wow. Sheesh. Yeah, US 30. We got a juicer here, man. Wow. Hey, my pleasure, bro. My pleasure. Look at gold. I'm looking. Caught that flip. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, we're flipping down here now. Yeah, this looks good. Looking a lot better on the 30-minute time frame now too. I will go break. So if you're in the cells now, I would probably look to go break even around these support levels here. So right around here, and then partial, I would say somewhere in this, you know, choppy level over here. Yeah, so like BE, and then partials. Halfway there. Why delete? Because we were running into the last 5 minutes here of this candle, so decided to delete it and wait for the closure on the 15-minute. Yeah. Stephen B, bro, did you change your picture or something? You definitely changed your pic. You look different. You look different, man. What time is it? 10:15? Yeah, let's see what happens on this closure, and then I might get out of here. Yeah, you got to fake out. That should be interesting. Yeah, that was nuts. Good job, bro. As 15 broke the lows. Had to switch it. Where's Lele? Lele is, I think Lele is still sleeping, yeah. She's sleeping. I didn't recognize Stephen B. I didn't recognize him. Yeah, I didn't take the sell. I deleted it. Lele, yeah. Lele getting cray. Wake Lele up. It's time to make some money. Later, Ecom Dre. Have a great day, man. Yeah. Not looking good here, chat. Not looking the hottest here. So probably going to call it a day. And maybe wait for some better price action a little bit later. But yeah, it's not looking the hottest here. Yeah, I really wanted to see a top wick on this candle. That would have been our trade of the day, but didn't get a top wick, so nothing to do. Yeah. Nothing to do. Yeah, another patient day here in the New York session. So I think it's been our second no trade day here during the New York session. Look at this. My last couple trades are all at night. Isn't that crazy in the Asian session? Nuts. But yeah, I think that'll do it here, chat. Great day, great day displaying patience and discipline and all that good stuff. I think there wasn't really any golden opportunities there for us today. The 930 would have been nice had we had a top wick, but we didn't. So there was nothing there in terms of 930 for us today. And other than that, it's been just kind of lots of movement, but nothing playbook worthy here. So yeah. What time is this? This was 9:15. This stuff was in the way. Yeah, there wasn't really much here for us today. Not much here for us. But for those who did take trades, congratulations. Maybe there'll be something later on. Just gotta wait for candles to print, right? What time? Asian? I like Asian around like 8:30, 9 p.m. Like around that 4-hour closure and the new one opening up. Yeah. Yeah. But I think that's it, man. Any other questions? See you tomorrow, Energy. Yeah, I think that'll be the day. Yep. All right, gang. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow on the live stream. And yeah, don't over risk, don't over trade. We'll holla at you. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Later, gang. Peace. Love y'all. Later.
Say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant. This is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home. the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. You can set us free.
Take rest, cause the living God is living in my chest. Every day I wake up feeling blessed, and even if I don't, I see it as a test. Cause I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me. Nothing I could ever do can separate my love from you. You came to set us free. You came to set us free. Thankful you ain't drive me in that pit. Hey, nah. Saw my soul inside that fam and said that's it. Grace now. You never flake in the cold winter. I just came to ball with the gold winners. Fast forward, turn to a road runner. Spirit caught me here, go get it. Shed blood, gave me lemonade on this cold bennett. Pick me up. Always Timmy Turner, always chasing after Vicky. Took me to his fountain and gave me peace and chose to cleanse me up. Now I'm testifying of your greatness. This a different look. Go, life been hitting hard, let's take it slow. Take a walk by the river and let you flow. Cause Lord, you are all I ever want. You're all I ever want. Cause I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me. Nothing I could ever do to separate my love from you. Free.